So, hi, computer guys. We are here for Canadian criminal law. So, first, I need your eye contact. Criminal law. There are three parts of criminal law. Kapil, Vivo. Okay, there are three parts. Abhijot, there are three parts of Canadian criminal law. Lara, you people are walking. Abhijot is walking. I need your proper attention. Sit down on the table. Sit down on the table. Have some notes. Make some notes. If you are walking around, 50% pass, 50% fail. My stance is very neat and clean. I will see your attitude. If your attitude is you are not joining my live session, guarantee 50% people are fail. Guarantee if you will not gonna join my live classes, you are not welcome 24/7. This facility is only available for those who are present in my live classes. That's it. Thumb rule. If you wanna quit, then quit. No problem. So sit down, make a note. I need your proper attention. Proper attention means I'm gonna teach you criminal law. Before I'm gonna teach you criminal law, you need, okay, to qualify any NCA exam, you have to spend 100 hours per subject. You have to spend 100 hours per subject. Doesn't matter constitutional law, criminal law, administrative law, professional responsibility, and whichever foundation law. So 100 hours. 25 hours I'm gonna teach. 25 hours. Kapil, 25 hours.
Sir, classes. Watch 25 classes.
I'm gonna teach.
And watch your lectures. 25 hours.
25 hours I'm agree. 25 hours I'm gonna teach. 25 hours, whatever I'm gonna teach, you have to revise. 25 hours I'm gonna teach. 25 hours you have to revise.
Yeah.
So next 30 minutes of next 30 minutes I'm not gonna teach criminal law. Next 30 minutes I'm not gonna teach criminal law. I'm gonna teach how to crack NCA exam from the zero to end. From the zero to end. Next 30 minutes I'm not gonna teach any criminal law. Instead of teaching criminal law, I'm gonna explain general ideas. General idea is to clear any NCA exam, you have to spend how many hours?
100 hours.
100 hours. 25 hours I'm gonna teach. Whatever I'm gonna teach, same 25 hours you have to
revise.
You have to revise for 50 hours. Next 50 hours, you have to do legal research. Case law, you're gonna study on your own. I'm gonna teach how to study case law.
Okay.
Again, 25 hours I'm gonna teach. 25 hours you have to revise. Whatever I'm gonna teach, 50 hours. If you're gonna rely only on 50 hours, so 50% chances you're gonna pass, 50% chances you will not gonna pass. 50-50. If you're gonna rely on next 50 hours, more than 80% chances, still there is no guarantee. 100% guarantee is not there. So more than 80% chances you're gonna pass the exam. What is the benefit for next 50 hours? What is the benefit for next 50 hours? Once you're gonna done your NCA, to clear NCA exam is not a big deal. After the NCA, you have to, in Ontario, you have to qualify for the bar exam, barrister and solicitor. There are two exams. One is solicitor. You have to clear both exams. So you have to clear both exams, barrister and solicitor. In barrister and solicitor, only thing you have to improve reading skill, understanding skill. Because in bar exam, 4 hours and 30 minutes, barrister and solicitor. One barrister exam, 5 subjects. Barrister exam, 5 subjects. Exam timing is 4 hours and 30 minutes. What did I say? Barrister exam, five subjects. Barrister exam, 5 subjects. Exam timing is 4 hours
4
and
hours 30 minutes. Yeah.
In 4 hours 30 minutes, half 4-line question, 5-line question, 6-line question, 3-line question. There are 4 options. You have to read the question and you have to give the answer. 160 question in how many hours?
4 hours 30
4
minutes.
hours 30 minutes.
4 hours 30 minutes, Lara. Okay. If your reading skill is not good, if your understanding is not good, don't even think to write barrister and solicitor exam. Same thing, solicitor. To clear the solicitor, both exams are mandatory. Barrister and Lara.
And solicitor exam.
In solicitor, there are 4 subjects, 4 hours, 30 minutes. Question would be
60.
160. So 1 minute, 30 seconds. 1 minute, 30 seconds. You have to read the question, 4-5 line. There are 4 options very close to, then you have to tick mark. The point to be noted, if your reading skill is not good, if your understanding is not good, you cannot clear barrister and solicitor. If you are other than Ontario, then other than Ontario, you can go for SIPLET. Example, Calgary or some different province, SIPLET. Again, SIPLET, research work. If your drafting is not good, drafting, legal drafting. What is drafting? Other than Ontario, you have after NCA, other than Ontario, you must pursue your career as a lawyer. Then after NCA, barrister, solicitor in Ontario, you have an option. You can clear your exam from Ontario and then you can transfer license from Ontario to any province in Canada. It's not a big deal. One option, you can clear your exam. Doesn't matter you are from British Columbia, you are from Calgary. You can write an exam from Ontario and you can transfer your license from Ontario to any part of the province. Second option, you can write, you can write a SIPLET other than Ontario, but you have to find an articling. Nowadays, articling is close to impossible. Very hard to find articling, first of all. Very hard to find articling. Very extremely hard to find. Number 1. Number 2, if you're going to find articling, it will be most likely, not most likely, highly chances, 100%, even 99% chances, free of charge for 10 months. Can you spare 10 months free of charge? Then you're going to think, no, I have to clear an exam in Ontario. Then I'm going to transfer from Ontario to, but still, if you're going to find an articling, this is very good. Then articling, what improvement? Improvement should be articling. Drafting should be good. In how to improve your drafting, you have to rely my next 50 hours. Next 50 hours. Last 50 hours is very important to clear barrister and solicitor. Next 50 hours, last 50 hours, you're going to improve your legal writing, improve your, understanding or SIPLET, important for SIPLET. The point to be noted, to clear NCA exam, 50 hours, 50% chances you're going to pass. Next 50 hours, what is 50 hours? I will explain. For example, I'm going to teach this case law, how to read this case law from the Google. This case law, only couple of pages. You're going to read on your own. This case law, maximum 20 case law. You have to read every case law. Crux would be maximum 2 pages, maximum 3 pages. You have to read on your own. I'm going to explain how to read that case law. Is that clear? Okay.
Yes.
So to clear NCA exam, for example, nowadays, Consti Edmund Criminal PR Foundation LRW, we're gonna teach all subjects. So how many hours to clear all these exams? 600 hours. To clear all these exams, you need 600 hours. 600 hours mean 100 hours per month. 100 hours
Per month.
per month. Per week, how many hours per week, Lara?
That will be 5 hours per week. No,
25 hours.
no, that's
25 hours.
25 hours per week. Sorry.
25 hours per week. 25
Yeah.
hours per week. 25 hours per week mean 7
Right.
days.
Yes,
So
okay.
almost more than 3.5 hours
Per
every day.
day.
Okay, almost 3 hours per day. More than 3 hours. More than 3 hours. Make sense? So how
Yes.
to calculate? Okay, Monday to Friday, you're gonna study only 2 hours. Monday to Friday, 2 hours. Monday 2 hours. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Fridays 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. How many hours?
That's 10
Lara?
hours. More. That's
10
10
hours.
hours Monday to Friday.
Okay, 10 hours. But Saturday, Sunday, 5, 6 hours Saturday, 5, 6 hours Sunday, you're gonna spend. So in 1 week, you're gonna spend 25 hours, Monday to Friday, 2 hours, Saturday, Sunday, 5, 6 hours, Saturday, Sunday, 5, 6 hours. So altogether 25 hours. So in 6, then you're gonna done your NCA exam. How many month? 6 month.
6 months.
6 months.
6 month. So never quit your job. It's very wrong decision to quit your job. Then no, result would be the same. 100% result would be the same. Doesn't matter while job, without job. Do not. So this is a part-time study. This is 100% guarantee is a part-time study. A lot of people, oh, I'm going to quit my job and I'm going to spend, still you're going to spend 6 months. No matter what. Doesn't matter. You're going to quit your job. You will not going to. So strongly recommendation, you will not going to quit your job.
Okay.
Okay. So and to clear NCA exam, there most likely there would be 6 subjects: Consti, Admin, Criminal, PR, Foundation, LRW. 6 exam. LRW is very hard. How to clear LRW? Again, next 50 hours. Next 50 hours, research and drafting. Research and drafting will impact on 6 subjects, which is LRW plus Barrister Solicitor plus Siblet. The point to be noted, last 50 hours is extremely important to clear LRW, Barrister Solicitor, and Siblet. So you have to, okay, how next 50 hours, I'm going to teach you. So if you have a 6 subject, 6 month part-time study is done. Then you have to qualify for Barrister and Solicitor. So one subject is Barrister, one subject is Solicitor. First week of March, Barrister. Third week of March, gonna be Solicitor. Every first week of June, Barrister. Third week of June, Solicitor. Every first week of November, Barrister. Third week of November, Solicitor. 3 exams in a year. Okay. So to clear Barrister exam, you have to spend 300 hours. To clear Barrister exam, you have to spend 300 hours. To clear Solicitor exam, again, you have to spend 300 hours. 600 hours. To clear Barrister exam, 102. To clear Barrister exam, how many hours you need?
300 hours.
300. 150, I'm going to teach. 150, you have to study on your own. So 300. So Solicitor, 150 hours. 150 hours, I'm going to teach. 150 hours. 50 hours, you have to revise. 600. The point to be noted, to clear NCA exam, how many hours you need to clear?
600 hours.
100 hours.
600 hours.
100
To Barrister exam, Rashi, to clear Barrister exam, Rashi Kate, to clear Barrister exam, how many hours you need to spend to only to Barrister?
300. 300 hours.
300. To clear Solicitor exam,
300 hours.
300. So all together, how many hours, including NCA, barrister, solicitor?
1200.
1200.
1200. 1200, thumb rule, 1200. 1200 mean in 1 month, 100 hours. 1 month, 100 hours. 1 week, 25 hours. So 25 hours in 1 week. Then how to divide 25 hours in 1 week? Monday to Friday, 2 hours. Saturday, Sunday, 5-6 hours. Saturday, it's not a big deal. Sunday, 5-6 hours Sunday. Then in 1 year, you're gonna qualify NCA, barrister, and solicitor. In 1 year.
Sir, we don't need articling in Ontario, right?
I'll let you know. You can give me a call. For the articling, if you have a 10-month experience in your back home as a lawyer, if you have a 10-month experience as a lawyer in back home, articling can be waived off in Ontario. If you have 10-month experience in your back home as a lawyer, then articling will gonna be waived off in Ontario. But other than Ontario, you must find an articling. Doesn't matter. You have a 10 years experience. You have a 11 years experience. You have a 20 years experience. Other than Ontario, you must find an articling for 10 months, no matter what. Clear?
Clear, sir.
Okay. Again, NCA, from the now NCA, 6 subject, every subject's 100 hours. To clear consti, 100 hour, admin, 100 hour, criminal, 100 hour, PR, foundation, LRW. Okay, 1. So 100 hours divided into 3 parts. 25 hours, I'm going to teach about criminal law. 25 hours, you have to revise whatever I'm going to teach. 50 hours, if you're going to rely only on 50 hours, 50% chances you're going to pass NCA exam. Okay, next 50 hours is extremely important. What was the purpose for next 50 hours? I'm going to teach. This is a case law. Go to Google, read case law, improve your understanding. Improve your reading skill. Why reading skill is important? Reading skill is important in barrister and solicitor. Because in 1 minute, 30 seconds, 4-line question, 4, 5, 6-line question, half-page question. You have to read half-page question. There are 4 options, then tick mark. In how many minutes? 1 minute and 30 seconds. If your reading skill is bad, for example, your reading skill is, okay, fundamental justice beyond procedure. The first reason is that the word fundamental justice are literary. Your reading skill is very bad. 100% you will not gonna pass barrister and solicitor. Reading skill is important. Improve your reading skill, improve your understanding skill. If your reading skill is bad or understanding is bad, don't even think to clear
Barrister, solicitor.
barrister and solicitor. Okay. Are you enjoying my class? Some people are applying for NCA. Some people are applying for NCA. In the NCA website, they're going to say 6 to 8 weeks. But according to my opinion, 6 to 9 weeks. I mean, 2 to 3 months. According to my opinion, if you're going to apply for NCA, they're going to, from the last document to next 3 months, 2 to 3 months, they're going to evaluate yourself. It's an open book test, is an open book exam. So you have to study now. My classes are available. Anyway, once you're going to done your NCA in 6 months, then you're going to done your barrister and solicitor 6 months, 1 year. My NCA fees per subject is 400 plus HST. If you're going to take for whole, I think 1900 or 2000, I have no idea. Whole package. Example. Whole package is 2000 for 6 subject. Example. Okay, 2000 per subject. If you are my regular student for NCA, so $1,000 for barrister, 1000 for solicitor. Now you're gonna give, after done your NCA, you're gonna give me how much money you gave it to me? 2000 in NCA plus minus. 1000 barrister, plus HST, 1,000 for solicitor, 4,000 plus minus. After barrister and solicitor, I'm gonna give you free classes. For example, now we are lawyers. We don't have any experience regarding immigration lawyer. My person will give you 35 hours free classes. 35 hours free classes where you're gonna learn through website, not maybe live lecture, may not be live lecture, but at least through website. 35 hours free lectures is a practical free. If you wanna pursue your career as a family lawyer, okay, as an immigration lawyer, 35 hours free classes. Number two, family lawyer. If you wanna pursue your career as a family lawyer, my different lawyer gonna teach you family lawyer, how to make a divorce application practical from the practical aspect, how to make a divorce application, how to give the answer, okay, financing statement, if there is a restraining order, how to amend restraining order, how to change the restraining order, net family property, division of property, child support, spousal support, net family property, how to deal with matrimonial home, domestic contract. 35 hours free classes. Immigration, 35 hour free classes. Family law, 35 hour free classes after becoming a lawyer. Then real estate law, 35 hours, more than 35 hours real estate classes, free of charge for you people. So more than 100 hours. Okay, now immigration, 35 hours, real immigration, 35 hours. Second one is
Family,
Family.
Third one is
Real
real
estate.
estate law.
estates,
Real estate, how to run your TerraView, how to run your TerraView, requisition, agreement of purchase and sale, amending the agreement of sale and purchase, lot of things. How to make an offer to buy your house, how to accept the offer. So 35 hours free classes. The point to be noted, if you're gonna give me a $4,000, these classes are more than $4,000. First of all, real estate classes is not available in the market. Professional classes. Family law classes are not available. Only available classes are
immigration,
immigration, which is if you're gonna go to the college, $5,000 to $10,000 fees, most likely with the same teacher. $5,000 to $10,000 class. These classes gift for you people. This is my structure. So I'm not gonna leave you alone. The point is, I'm not gonna leave you alone. Okay. Now come back to the point. Now, okay. So basically NCA. So NCA, we're gonna start from, okay. If you're gonna apply for NCA, today, start study now. Start study now. If you, doesn't matter, you're gonna apply or whenever you're gonna apply for NCA, doesn't matter. Don't wait for assessment. Start now because it's an open book test. As soon as assessment gonna come, you can write an exam. Now come back to original point. Now we are here for which subject? Criminal law.
Criminal law.
Okay, again, just 2 more minutes. Sum up. To clear any NCA exam, most likely you're gonna get 6 subjects. Okay, every subjects need how many hours?
100 hours.
100 hours. Lara, 100 hours.
Yes.
25 hours I'm gonna teach, and 25 hours
Revise.
Revise.
Lara, you have to revise. 50 hours. If you're gonna rely only on 50 hours, 50% chances you're gonna pass, 50% chances you're gonna fail. Okay, then next 50 hours you have to research work. Okay, if you're gonna open syllabus of criminal law, or there is a prescribed criminal law cases, click, automatically they're gonna go into Google, read couple of pages. I will explain how to read. Then next 50 hours is very beneficial. Now come back to the point, criminal law. So criminal law, now criminal law start. There are three parts of Canadian criminal law. There are three parts, Rashid. There are three parts of Canadian criminal law. One is offenses, one is defenses, one is a procedure. Write it down. One offenses, one is defenses, or Lara, one is
Procedure.
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 Okay. For offenses, most likely minimum 30 marks gonna come, 40% marks gonna come from offenses. 40%, 40 marks, 40 gonna come from offenses. 30 marks gonna come from defenses. 30%, 30. 70 marks. Then next 30 marks gonna come from
Procedure.
Procedure.
procedure. Okay. Okay, offenses. Now we're gonna start from offenses. Write it down. We have to follow. Doesn't matter offense, doesn't matter defense. But okay, doesn't matter offense, doesn't matter defense. But don't worry about procedure. Always IRAC method. IRAC. Issue, rule, application, conclusion. Can you hold for 1 second? I'm gonna get back to you just for 1 minute, okay? So I came back. So are you okay? So we are here for which subject, Lara?
Criminal law.
So there are three parts of criminal law. First one is
Offenses, defense, and procedure.
how much marks gonna come from offenses? Approximately, plus minus. 40%.
Yes.
From defenses,
30%.
plus minus.
Yes.
Procedure, 30%.
30%.
Now, which method we have to use? IRAC. Issue, rule, application, conclusion. Did you write? Issue, rule, application, conclusion. For offenses, for defenses. For procedure, we will not gonna follow issue, rule, application, conclusion. Okay, now issue. For example, offenses. Examiner question would be your issue. Examiner question would be your
Issue.
Okay.
issue. For example, a Abhijot, if I'm gonna kill you, okay? So
Okay.
Mr. Chaudhry was charged under first degree murder. Whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under first degree murder, examiner question would be your
Issue.
issue. Okay, for example, what is a first degree? Whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for first degree murder is the issue. What is a rule? For example, Mr. Chaudhry was charged under criminal code. There is a section. Section. Examiner will let you know Aamer was charged under this section 231 of the criminal code for murder. Examiner, okay, you're gonna read the question. Last line. What do you think Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under this section? Section example 231 of the criminal code. Oh, examiner question gonna be our issue whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under first degree murder. What is a rule? Rule we're gonna find out from the criminal code. We're gonna find out from the
Criminal code.
this code is very important, especially in annotated. Mutton is not recommended according to my opinion. It's my personal opinion. Okay, David is good. This is good because it's a commentary. So rule, okay, rule we're gonna find out from the criminal code. For the rule is like a Quran, Gita, Bible, Guru Granth. Lara, rule. We will not gonna change the rule. Rule is, can we change Gita or Bible?
No.
No. It's a rule. Okay, rule. Okay, what is the rule of the first degree murder? I will explain. And you're gonna find out from my IRAC. How? I make my own, just for 1 second, just for 1 second, just for 1 second. Just 1 second. For example, see, issue, does it fall under first degree murder? Can you see the screen?
Oh, yes, sir.
Okay, rule. I already find out the rule. I picked up rule from I make my own couple of IRACs from criminal code. 19 IRACs. 19 IRACs. Okay. If question gonna come from my IRACs, you're gonna refer to my IRACs. For example, Aamer is charged under first degree murder. Oh, my IRAC, first degree murder. Aamer is charged under second degree murder, this section. Aamer is charged under criminal negligence causing death, attempted murder, robbery, attempted robbery. If your first job is, oh, examiner question, Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for first degree murder. Whether do we have a IRAC? Yes, we have a IRAC. Then refer to IRAC. Issue, rule, this is cut, copy, paste. Cut, copy, paste mean you have to type as it is. Rule. If you will not gonna find IRAC, examiner question, for example, any question, which is, because is whole thousands of section, I cannot make thousands of IRACs, right? I cannot make thousands of IRAC. I make my own IRACs, 1920 IRACs, which is highly chances question can come from my IRACs. If question will not gonna come from my IRACs, then how to find out the rule? From
Criminal code.
Code.
criminal code. Now, how is very, 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 very important. How to find rule from the criminal code? Refer to my YouTube video. If you're gonna write it down in NCA Exam Guru in YouTube, must write it down. Must write it down. NCA Exam Guru in YouTube, must watch. Must watch from it's a 4-hour lecture. 3 to 4 years ago, is a 4-hour lecture. In 4-hour lectures, is extremely important rule. Okay, rule, pick up from, what is a rule? Rule is, okay, then is okay, rule. What is a rule?
Rule is can be changed.
Rule is, if rule is available from my IRAC, we will, okay, refer to this rule. If not, then you will open criminal code and you must watch YouTube. Then the rule apply into application. Issue, rule apply into application. Rule apply into application. Lara, rule apply into
Application.
In application, write it down. In application, write it down. In application, a mens rea, Crown will prove mens rea, actus rea, factual causation, and legal causation. Application. Whether mens rea, Crown will found, we gonna find mens rea from criminal code, actus rea from criminal code, factual causation. Don't worry about factual causation and legal causation. 4 steps is an application. Crown will prove. Okay. Then conclusion. Right? Lara, got it?
Can you please repeat the same?
Okay, again. I need your eye contact, proper attention. I need your proper attention. Lara, Sayyid Rizvi, I need your eye contact. Offenses, defenses, procedure. IRAC issue, rule, application, conclusion. Offenses. Whole criminal code is consist of offenses. Thousands of offenses. Thousands. I make 20 important IRACs. If question gonna come from my IRAC, directly you're gonna refer to my IRAC. If question gonna come outside my IRAC, then refer to criminal code, then refer to my YouTube video, 4 hours video. In my 4-hour video, YouTube, NCA Exam Guru, in YouTube, there are 4-hour lecture, almost plus minus 4 hour. In 4-hour lecture, I taught how to pick up actus rea from criminal code, how to pick up mens rea from criminal code. Factual causation, legal causation is extremely important. Okay? Example. I need your eye contact. My name is Aamer Chaudhry. I'm sitting here. I thought I'm gonna kill someone. When I'm gonna kill? I'm gonna kill Kapil Friday night, 12 o'clock. I'm gonna kill Kapil Friday night, 12 o'clock. Okay, Friday night, 12 o'clock. How I'm gonna make, from which instrument? I'm making a planning. Lara, I need your eye contact. Do not write. If I'm gonna say, then write. My name is Aamer Chaudhry. I decided I'm gonna kill, whatever the reason is, I'm gonna kill Mr. Kapil. What day? 12 o'clock Friday night. Then, now it's 10 o'clock Friday night, 10 o'clock. I thought I have to stand up. Now I have to stand up, take a knife or gun, 12 o'clock, chase him and kill him. Chase him and
Kill him.
And I was caught by a police officer. So these are facts you will see in the exam. These are facts you will see in the exam. So last line would be whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for under 231 of the criminal code. Whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under 231 of the criminal code. I'm just giving you example. Okay, now, 231 of the criminal code, your first job, reading the question. Okay, for example, we are in the examination hall. Exam start. Open, reading, one paragraph, second paragraph, third paragraph. Oh, Mr. Chaudhry decided he gonna kill. These are fact pattern. At the end, last paragraph, examiner question was whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under 231 of the criminal code. Okay. Now your first task after reading the question, your first task is whether this question refer to my IRAC. If IRAC is available, refer to my IRAC. If IRAC is not available, refer to criminal code. Issue whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for under 231 of the criminal code. Rule open 231. 231. This is a 231 section. We will not gonna write in the examination sheet. But you understand the rule. For example, what is the rule of criminal code? What is the rule? Okay. Now come to the real picture. Okay, it's an exam start. Okay, exam start. Share screen just for 1 second. Don't be confused. Okay, so do we have a first degree murder in my IRAC? Yes or no?
Sorry, okay.
Do we have IRAC for
Yes,
first degree
sir.
murder? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Hey, Lara, I need your eye contact, Mr. Rizvi Rashid. Okay, these are fact pattern. I'm reading the fact. Fact pattern is Mr. Chaudhry decided he gonna kill. These are fact pattern. Maximum 1 page fact pattern. 1 page. Whole criminal law is maximum 1.5 page. 1 page or 1.5 page. That's it. This is a fact pattern. Last line. Mr. Chaudhry was charged under 231 of the criminal code. 231 of the criminal code. Now we have to type the exam. Oh, yes, we have a IRAC, first degree murder. Issue. Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under first degree murder. Rule. We will only Refer to criminal code. We're gonna type refer to
Criminal.
criminal code, but we will not gonna type. But rule should be in your mind. What is the rule? Planning and
Deliberation.
Deliberation.
planning and deliberation. Okay, that's it. Rule refer to criminal code. That's it. Then mens rea. Mens rea. What is a mens rea for first degree murder? We're gonna pick up. This is already mens rea. This is then we have to pick up C actus rea from the criminal code. Must watch to pick up mens rea from criminal code, or doesn't matter. Must watch from YouTube. Actus rea. Then C causation, factual causation and legal causation. Legal causation and factual causation. 4 points are important. Now, main point is rule should be in your rule is planning and
Deliberation.
Deliberation.
you
Deliberation.
need to understand rule, planning and deliberation. Okay, don't worry about mens rea, actus rea. Now you need to understand rule apply into the application. Rule apply into the
Application.
application. Rule is planning and deliberation.
Deliberation.
You need to understand what is the planning. Planning, just Mr. Chaudhry was sitting in his house, making a plan. Plan, he gonna kill Mr. Kapil 12 o'clock on Friday night from the knife. Planning is done. Planning is
It's done.
planning is done. Okay. Then deliberation. What is the definition of deliberation? Planning and deliberation means start action on planning is equal to
Deliberation.
deliberation. Planning, come to the real picture. Oh, Thursday, Friday, 6 o'clock. Planning is already done. Friday, 7 o'clock. Friday, 10 o'clock. When I stand up means I open the door for deliberation. Planning and deliberation. And deliberation, when I killed, planning was already done. Deliberation, execute on planning is equal to deliberation. And I achieve my result. I would be charged for first degree murder. I would be charged for
First degree murder.
first degree murder. Again, stay here, stay here. My planning is done. 10 o'clock. Oh, 10 o'clock, I'm sitting in my room. No speaking louder. Oh, 10 o'clock, you know what? I'm gonna kill that person. I'm gonna kill that person. I'm gonna kill that person for first degree murder. I'm gonna kill that person. Someone call police. Then I stand up, take a knife, trying to chase him. While chasing, police grab me. Police
Grabbed.
Grab.
grab me. So can I charge for murder?
No,
No.
Why not?
Because you didn't commit it.
My planning was done, but deliberation was not done. Because I didn't kill.
Yes.
Make sense? So you're gonna say Mr. Chaudhry cannot be charged for first degree murder. His planning was done, but his deliberation was not
Not
done.
done.
This is a basic idea of rule is okay. Again, stay here, because it's very important. First class is very important. Okay, again, I'm driving a car. Just I have done my class, driving a car back to my home. I'm going back to my home. Back of the car, Kapil was in back of the car. Kapil pressed the horn. I also pressed the horn. He get out from the car. I got out from the car. Heat of the moment we start fighting. Heat of the moment we start fighting. Heat of the moment I punched to his face and he was killed. Heat of the moment I kill him. Heat of the moment I punch him and kill him. So these are fact patterns. Whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under 231 of the criminal code, yes or no?
No.
No.
No, why not?
Because
Not
he-
intention.
Intention.
No mens rea.
What was the mens rea?
So no
Planning
intention to
and
kill.
deliberation. My
Deliberation.
plan was not to kill Mr. Kapil. My planning was not there. If my planning was to go home, not to kill you. If there is no planning, of course, there is no deliberation. So, Mr. Chaudhry, in order to establish first degree murder, Crown has to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that my actus rea must be present. Actus rea is not a big deal. Absolutely, actus rea is not a big deal. Mens rea is the big deal. Mens rea, whether do I have mental element to kill you? In first case, my mental element was present. In second scenario, in order to establish first degree murder, my planning plus
Deliberation.
should be present. So there is no my planning. If there is no planning, of course, there is no deliberation. You're gonna write in the examination sheet, Mr. Chaudhry didn't have a planning. If there is no planning, absolutely, there is no deliberation. So his plan was to go back to his house. So basically, he cannot be charged for first degree murder. If you will not gonna remember the rule refer to the criminal code, but rule should be applied to the application. Rashid bhai, ठीक है?
Yes, yes, sir.
So what is the okay? Second question: Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for second degree murder. Okay, okay. So fact pattern. What do you think? Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for second degree murder? Okay. Issue typing exam issue. Whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for second degree murder? Rule. Okay. First question in the exam. Do we have a IRAC? If we have a IRAC, refer to IRAC. If we don't have a IRAC, refer to criminal code. Okay, rule. Only we cannot write it on rule. Refer to second degree murder. Whatever the section is. We will not gonna type the rule. Only rule. Refer to this section. That's it. Then application. For application, if you have a IRAC, refer to my IRAC application. If we don't have my IRAC, refer to criminal code particular section application. Main important is the application. Rule is not a big deal. Rule doesn't matter. You have a IRAC, you don't have a IRAC, doesn't matter. Examiner, Mr. Chaudhry is charged under 231 of the criminal code. Issue, Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under 231 of the criminal code. Rule doesn't matter. IRAC doesn't matter. We don't have a IRAC, doesn't matter. Refer to 231 of the criminal code. That's it. Then the rule applying to
application.
Application.
Ji Sayyid bhai, rule applying to
Application.
no Sayyid, your name is not Sayyid.
Sorry.
Sir.
Yes, Sayyid bhai, rule applying to
Sorry, sir, couldn't follow.
नहीं ये देखे ना, यही तो चीजें हैं ना, इस very important points. I
I
need
was
your
looking
proper
into criminal code.
No, did I say you refer to criminal code?
No, at the
No.
time when you are giving lecture, I was
No,
looking into criminal
Second
code.
is why you people are my children for sure. Lara is my daughter. You are my son. I treat my student like a children. Seriously, you know what? People are giving me money from India. You know what? I have my own charity hospital in India. I always tell, go to hospital, give them donation in your name. You don't give me a fees. Okay? Because it's my charity. If you are from Pakistan, in Punjab, there is a one in Burewala. It's a langar, tandoor, free food. You can give the donation. ठीक है, मैं दे देता हूँ. और कनाडा में होते हैं तो मैं देता हूँ, तो मैं आगे यहाँ पे भी दे देता हूँ डोनेशन. द पॉइंट टू बी नोटेड, मैं आप लोगों से पैसे लेके आई कलेक्ट द फीस एंड स्पेंड ऑन योर ओन पीपल. अफ्रीका, कनाडा. ठीक है, ठीक है. तो आई ऑलवेज ट्रीट यू माई, मुझे ऐसे लगता है ऑनेस्टली, आई एम गोना स्पीक इन माई ओन लैंग्वेज अदर देन एजुकेशन. जब आप मुझे फीस देते हैं ना, तो मुझे लगता है मैं अपनी माँ बहन का सौदा कर रहा हूँ. अब मैं अपना नॉलेज देता हूँ, आप मुझे इसकी फीस देते हैं, तो मुझे ऐसे लगता है, लेकिन आपकी फीस जाती ही आप लोगों के ऊपर है। डजंट मैटर यू आर फ्रॉम व्हाट कंट्री, यू आर फ्रॉम व्हाट कलर, यू आर फ्रॉम व्हाट ग्रीड, मेरे सारे पैसे चैरिटी में मैं डालता हूँ। इसलिए बताता हूँ आपको कि मुझे ऐसे लगता है कि जब आप मुझे, मैं अपना नॉलेज को, आई विल गिव यू नॉलेज, यू कैन गिव मी अ फीस लाइक आई एम सेलिंग माई सिस्टर, आई एम सेलिंग माई मदर, मैं अपनी माँ का सौदा कर रहा हूँ, मुझे ऐसे ही लगता है। लेकिन मुझे, क्योंकि मैं गरीबों के लिए मुझे करना होता है, इसलिए मैं, समझ रहे हैं ना, तो मेरा यू पीपल लाइक माई चिल्ड्रन, मैं वो रवायती टीचर नहीं हूँ सर, मेकिंग मनी मेकिंग मनी मेकिंग मनी, दैट्स इट, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड, यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड, है ना। आई ऑलवेज ट्रीट माई स्टूडेंट लाइक अ चिल्ड्रन, आप मेरे बच्चों की तरह, डजंट मैटर आप मेरे से बड़े हैं छोटे हैं, आई एम 53 years old, डजंट मैटर यू आर यंगर और यू आर ओल्डर, ठीक है सैयद भाई?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है,
I got it.
अगेन आई नीड योर आई कॉन्टैक्ट मिस्टर, आई गिव यू टू सिनेरियो, वन सिनेरियो is a fact pattern you will see in the exam. Mr. Chaudhry was sitting in the exam, Mr. Kapil, he is a Hindu, Mr. Chaudhry is a Muslim, so he said you people are loser, you people are terrorists. Mr. Chaudhry was extremely upset, he was feel shaming because you are telling in front of thousands of people. One day Mr. Chaudhry decided, I'm gonna fix Mr. Kapil. Okay, see, one day I was anger. So you Muslim people are terrorists. You Muslim people are bad. You Paki people are bad. Mr. Chaudhry was getting upset. One day he decided, I'm gonna kill Mr. Kapil. What time I'm gonna, now I start planning. Sitting in my home, start planning. What day I'm gonna kill Kapil, Sayyid? What day I'm gonna kill Rizvi bhai?
I'm going to kill.
Not I'm going. Chaudhry is going to kill.
Chaudhry is going to kill.
What
on a
day?
specific- on a specific.
Friday 10 o'clock.
Yeah.
Example, these are fact pattern. Yeah, fact pattern
Okay,
can be changed.
okay.
Friday 10 o'clock.
Any date. Yeah.
My planning is done.
Okay.
My planning is done.
Done.
Sitting in my home, planning is done. Friday 12 o'clock. Friday 12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Planning. Now today is Wednesday. Wednesday is gone. Thursday is gone. Friday start. Friday 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m., 9 p.m., 10 p.m. Now I have to stand up because my plan was 12 o'clock. 2 hours I need to open. Now, as soon as start action on planning, deliberation is start.
Deliberation.
Okay, deliberations. Action, my deliberation. Now I took the knife, follow you while chasing, and I kill you. My planning was done when I was making a plan. Then I execute on planning and achieve the result. Deliberation is done.
Done.
Can he charge for first degree murder?
Yes.
Yes.
First degree.
Second, this is a basic idea. I'm going to give you basic idea. Right, Rishi bhai?
Yes.
Second scenario. I have to kill Mr. Kapil. I have to kill Mr. Kapil 12 o'clock on Friday. Now 10 o'clock. Now 10 o'clock is done. 10 o'clock. Then I stand up. Stand up, 10 o'clock, take a knife, chasing. While chasing, police arrest me. Before I'm going to kill you, police arrest me. And Mr. Chaudhry was charged for first degree murder. Can he charge for first degree murder? Mr. Rizvi?
No.
Why not?
Because his intention has not been executed.
Yes, my planning was done. Missing deliberation.
Missing deliberation.
Deliberation because I did not do anything. My planning was done for murder, but deliberation was missing. General idea, right? Lara, are you learning? Right?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm
So same
learning.
thing. Huh?
I said I'm learning.
Okay. Are you enjoying the class as well?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Then same scenario. Just today is the first day of the class. Don't worry about it. Today is the first day of the class is very hard. The second, Second, or same scenario, Rizvi, I need your eye contact.
Yeah.
Same scenario. Okay, so same scenario. Planning. Okay, okay. Same scenario. I was second fact pattern. I was driving a car. While driving a car, Kapil was behind of my car. He pressed the horn. I pressed the horn. He get out from the car. I get out from the car. Heat of the moment. Kapil, you are a bad. Kapil is saying, I'm a bad. We both are fighting. Heat of the moment. I punch to his face and I kill him. Can he charge for first degree murder?
No.
Why not?
It is a secondary because there is no mens rea and
There is no planning
no
and
plan.
there is no deliberation. Of course, there is no planning. My plan was not to kill Mr. Kapil. I didn't even know who is the Kapil. But heat of the moment, I did it.
Yeah.
So you cannot charge for first degree murder.
Yeah.
So the next question, can I be charged for second degree murder?
Yes.
Okay, what is the rule of second degree murder? Two options. Oh, okay. Where the next question, whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for second degree murder? Typing. Issue, whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for second degree murder. Rule, refer to whatever the section is. That's it, typing. Rule, simple. Rule, refer to criminal code. That's it. Then rule applying to Rizvi, rule applying
sir.
to
So rule applying to means sorry.
Application.
It's
application. Next step, application, है ना?
yeah, any application. Yeah.
Rule applying to
Application.
application.
Next step.
Okay. Application. For the application, you have two options. Oh, refer to IRACs. If IRACs is available, open book test. Refer to my IRAC. If IRAC is not available, refer to criminal code. So in the criminal code, how to pick up actus rea from criminal code, how to pick up mens rea from criminal code, must watch intro from YouTube. In intro of YouTube, I teach how to pick up actus rea from criminal code, how to pick up mens rea from the criminal code. Must watch intro of YouTube, 4-hour lecture. Write it down in YouTube. NCA Exam Guru in YouTube. 4-hour lecture, plus minus, you must watch. In that class, I told you how to pick up actus rea from criminal code, how to pick up mens rea for criminal code. But in the given scenario, we have IRAC. Okay, come to the IRAC. This is, can you see the screen? Second degree murder. Exam stop. Issue, whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for second degree murder. Rule, we will not gonna type, only refer to whatever the rule is. Refer to this section. Okay? Right? Right?
Yes.
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 In Canada, if anyone gonna ask right, it means it's a question mark.
Yes,
You
sir.
understand or you will not gonna understand. आपको right का पता? For how long you have been living in Canada? If you are living, I mean, in Canada, if anyone gonna ask you, you got it? Mean yes or no. If you are silent, it means you don't even understand. Right? Right का मतलब I need yes. I will assume yes mean you got it. Then I'm gonna go to the next step. If you're gonna
Yes,
say
sir.
no, then I'm gonna stop. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Issue, rule, refer to criminal code, then application. This offenses is always think like a crown prosecutor. Application offenses think like a crown prosecutor. In application, crown prosecutor, don't worry about crown prosecutor. Okay, application. In application, second degree murder. What is a second degree murder? Can you read the second degree murder?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, just hold on. Rule. Okay, can you read the rule?
Yes, sir. Rule, all murder that is not first degree murder is second degree murder. Planned but no deliberation. Murder is first degree murder when it's planned and deliberate. The first thing we do is review the elements of second degree murder. We have to look for evidence with respect to each element of second degree murder. Elements of second degree murder: planning, intention, subjective knowledge, accused caused victim's death.
अब यार यहाँ पे तो ये extra planning, basically there is okay, for example, okay, planning but no deliberation, okay, intention, okay, sometime planning, for example, I need to eye contact, okay, planning pass, write it down, heat of the moment is also planning, heat of the moment, not planning, actually heat of the moment is a mens rea, heat of the moment. Okay, then Crown gonna say Crown, first degree murder, Crown, mens rea. So Crown gonna say, so I'm gonna say Crown, you are here, I'm a defense lawyer, you have to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that my mens rea is present. So Crown, I'm gonna say Crown, my planning was not there for second degree murder. My planning was not there. Rashi bhai, I need to eye contact.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Rashi, who is
Yes.
this guy?
Crown prosecutor.
Crown prosecutor. Who am I?
Hmm.
Defense lawyer. Behalf of Aamer Chaudhry. Defense lawyer, behalf of Chaudhry. Crown has to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that my mens rea is present for second degree murder. Crown will prove beyond the reasonable doubt that my mens rea is present. Crown gonna say, yeah, Crown will say, I have, okay, do you have a planning? See, planning. Because Crown is bound by criminal code. Criminal code is telling planning. I'm going to say my plan was not present. Then Crown going to say, okay, then Crown will say, do you have a, did you do, okay, read mens rea. Can you read the mens rea?
In R versus Net, to decide whether D is guilty of first degree murder or second degree murder, the trier of the fact must first determine whether D has committed murder
D means defendant, Mr. Chaudhry.
defendant under code section 229A,
Blah, blah, blah is murder.
culpable homicide, which is murder, and according to section 229, culpable homicide and the section 7 of the charter, constitutionally required minimum mens rea for murder is subject to knowledge of the likelihood or probability of death, subjective forensic of death, and intention to cause death or intention to cause bodily harm, which he or she knows is likely to cause death. R versus Martinez.
Crown will prove these things because Crown is bound by criminal code. Crown is bound by criminal code. So, okay. So, Mr. Chaudhry was charged for second degree murder. What is the rule of the second degree murder? First one is a planning. Crown, my planning was not present. Then Crown gonna say, okay, your planning was not present, no problem. Then intention, your subject of death, intention to cause death. I'm gonna say, Crown, when I was fighting, my intention was not to kill him. Crown gonna say, okay, your intention was not to kill him, no problem. But Mr. Chaudhry, when you punching to his face, your intention was not to kill. So your intention was to kill too. Your intention was to likely to cause bodily harm. आप मुंह पे पंच मारे हो, punching to his face. If your intention was not to kill, at least your intention was to grievous bodily harm. Yes, of course, मैं उसको punch मारा हूँ, I'm punching to his face. Okay, so can Crown establish mens rea based on likely to cause death or bodily harm? The intention to cause bodily harm, which I know likely to cause death. You are punching to his face, likely to cause death. Punching to your legs, likely to cause death. Acha, punching to his legs. If I was punching to your legs and you killed, so likely to cause death. कभी ऐसा हुआ जिंदगी में आपने लत्तों को पंच मारा और वो बंदा मर गया हो? हुआ?
No.
मैंने आज तक वो नहीं है। खुशी भाई, आपने कहाँ पे देखा है? Have you seen ever if anyone gonna punch to your legs and the guy he's dead. I never seen in my medical history until unless there is some different issues.
Mhm.
Again, just see the difference. Mr. Chaudhry was punching to your face, Kapil face. Bisham, 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 Bisham. Heat of the moment. Crown gonna say, hey, Mr. Chaudhry, do you have a planning to kill? No, sir, my planning was because no one, okay. Crown gonna say, Mr. Chaudhry, did you have a planning? I'm gonna say, no, I didn't have a planning. My plan was not to kill. Then he gonna say, when you are punching to his face, did you realize intention to cause death? I said, no, it's a fist fight. I thought he will not gonna die. Then, okay, when you are punching to his face, which likely to cause death, although your intention was not to kill, when you are punching to his face is a common sense. Common sense, when you are punching to his face, continuously to his head, continuously to his head, likely to cause death. Of course, likely to cause death. Use your common sense. Can he charge for second-degree murder?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If somehow I was, for example, when I start fighting, okay, I hit you. Hey, get out. Don't touch me. Don't close to me. I hit you like this. I hit you. Somehow you had some medical instrument in your body. Or somehow when you are trying to close me, hey, don't close to me. I push you back. Your feet was slipped. Your feet was
Whipped.
slipped. And your head hit the wall and you dead. My intention was to kill for second-degree murder.
No.
No.
No. Likely to cause death.
No.
No.
Likely to cause bodily harm.
No.
No, which देखो मैंने तो just hit किया, push. You are trying to close to me. Hey, for example, Rashi, hey, Rashi, don't close to me. Hey, don't touch me. I push him back with not likely to cause bodily harm.
Mm.
देखो ना, use your common sense. His feet was slipped, fall down, head hit to the wall, and he's dead. So Crown even cannot establish for second-degree murder. Some other charges I can be charged. You understand my point?
Yes.
How is gonna work out? Rashi bhai, right? Rizvi bhai, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I just give you example. Okay, one example. I need to eye contact. I'm sitting in my home. I have a 6-month-old baby. I had 6-month-old baby. I was giving him shower. Shower. So while giving him shower, someone ring the bell. I was giving him shower in the tub. Someone ring the bell. I drop, open the door. I spent to talk. Oh, how are you, Rashi? How are you? Everything after 5 minutes, after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes. Oh my God. I left my child, ran back. Oh my God, child is dead.
Dead.
Thrown by the water, in the water. Can he charge for first-degree murder?
No.
No.
No, because my planning was not to kill my child. Can he charge for second-degree murder?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's
Yes.
Okay, yes. Okay. So,
No.
okay, one is saying yes, one is saying okay. Second, what is the rule of the second-degree murder? First one is a planning. Do I have a planning to kill my child?
No.
no.
Okay. Then second rule of the second-degree murder is likely to cause death. My intention was likely to cause death.
No.
Of course, he is my child. My intention was not likely to cause death. Subjective mens rea. My child, my intention was not caused to death.
Criminal
So
negligence,
you
it will
cannot
go somewhere
charge me
to criminal.
for second degree. You cannot charge even for me second degree murder. Not likely to cause death. Not even heat of the moment. Make sense? This is
Yes.
called subjective mens rea. Second degree murder, subjective mens rea. First degree murder, subjective. What is a subjective mens rea and objective mens rea? Write it down. Subjective mens rea, always for murder, doesn't matter first degree murder, second degree murder, Crown must prove my subjective mens rea. What is subjective mens rea for? Crown must prove beyond the reasonable doubt. For first degree murder, for second degree murder, my subjective knowledge. Subjective knowledge for first degree murder is planning and deliberation. Subjective knowledge for second degree murder, if planning, if there is no planning, then although I did heat of the moment, but look at, I was punching to his face, likely to cause death or likely to cause bodily harm. Of course, punching to his face, likely to cause death or likely to cause bodily harm, which can be death. You are punching to his head, likely to cause death. Punching to his, when I push him back, not even likely to bodily harm. Just to hit him. Hey, get out. Don't close to me. You understand? This is subjective. Okay. What gonna happen in the exam? In the real picture? My name is Aamer Chaudhry. I was giving shower to my baby who is 6 months old. So Mr. Chaudhry was charged for first degree murder. I cannot be charged for first degree murder. My planning is not missing. My planning is not there. If planning is not there, of course, there is no deliberation. For second degree murder, if a question gonna come whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for second degree murder, in order to rule, in order to establish second degree murder, refer to criminal code application, Crown has to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that my mens rea was to commit that crime. In order to establish my mens rea, subjective knowledge. So what is subjective knowledge? My intention to kill, my planning. In the given scenario, rule correlate with the fact. Rule is my intention to kill. But in the given story, my intention was not to kill. Then I did heat of the moment. I didn't even do in heat of the moment. I didn't likely to cause death, even likely to my subjective knowledge. I love my child. Why would I kill? Make sense?
Yes. Can I ask a question? So for the baby, can't it be said that leaving the baby in the bathtub for more than 20 minutes is also can also be inferred that there's an intention to kill? Because you're leaving the baby. Oh, what I'm saying is
just 1 minute, just 1 minute, just 1 minute.
Okay.
First, okay. The real question is, when I was giving shower to my baby,
yes,
can he charge for first degree murder?
No.
No. If examiner gonna test you, Mr. Chaudhry was charged for first degree murder, you're gonna issue rule, application, conclusion. That's it. Aamer cannot be charged for first degree murder. Question can be same fact pattern. Aamer can be charged for second degree murder. Issue whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under second degree murder. Rule, refer to criminal code. Application, Crown has to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that my mens rea is present, my whatever, right? Actus is present. Rule applying to the application. Rule applying to application. In the application, in order to establish second degree murder, there should be a planning. In the given scenario, he didn't have a planning to kill his child. Then whatever his action, subjective mens rea, my action towards grievous bodily harm, subjective. Intentionally I didn't do intentionally. I didn't do anything intentionally. So I cannot be charged for second degree murder, right?
Okay.
Okay, third question. Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under manslaughter. Manslaughter. Objective mens rea is required for manslaughter. Write it down. Objective mens rea is required for manslaughter. Criminal code is telling objective mens rea is required for manslaughter. Objective mens rea. What is the objective mens rea? Prudent person test. Write it down. Objective mens rea. Prudent person test. Objective mens rea. Prudent person test. What is prudent person? I need your eye contact. Prudent person test. Prudent person test. My name is Aamer Chaudhry. I was giving shower to my daughter, 6-month-old. Okay, I cannot be charged for first-degree murder because my planning and there is no deliberation. I cannot be charged for second-degree murder because subjective knowledge. Crown, if police gonna charge me for second-degree murder, if police will charge me for second-degree murder, Crown has to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that my mens rea is present for second-degree murder. How to pick up mens rea? Criminal code. Criminal code. Crown will open in the court. Oh, for second-degree murder, Mr. Chaudhry, you have a planning, but in the given scenario, he didn't have a planning. His action caused subjective mens rea to likely to cause death. My intention was not likely to cause death. He's my son. He's my daughter. Okay, your action was likely to cause bodily harm. Of course, intentionally, I didn't do bodily harm. My intention was not even a bodily harm. I cannot be charged for second-degree murder. Next question. Whether Mr. Chaudhry can be, Mr. Chaudhry was charged under manslaughter. Can be charged under manslaughter? Okay, section is, for example, this section. Objective mens rea is required. Crown is, okay. Mr. Chaudhry was charged under some section. Whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under issue, whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under this section, rule refer to criminal code. When open criminal code, you have to watch YouTube lecture. Objective mens rea is required. Crown is bound by
The criminal code.
criminal code. Crown will prove beyond, I'm a crown. Crown will prove beyond the reasonable doubt that Mr. Chaudhry, your mens rea was not, your mens rea was present. But here, objective mens rea. Now, Crown has to establish his mens rea. Objective mens rea. What is objective mens rea? Prudent person test. What is prudent person test? What do you think prudent person test? Prudent person will do it whatever Mr. Chaudhry did it. Prudent person will do it whatever Mr. Chaudhry you did it.
Okay.
I'm asking.
So, is that the same thing as the reasonable man test?
Prudent person.
Yes.
No,
Will
prudent
not-
person won't
will
do it.
not gonna do it whatever I did it. Crown will gonna say, hey, Mr. Chaudhry, I'm not gonna charge you for, I'm not gonna request, I'm not gonna charge you for first degree murder. I'm not gonna for second degree murder, but I will, because prudent person test. Under this section, you will fall under prudent person test. So what is prudent person? Whatever you did it, normal person will not gonna do it whatever you did it. So you be charged for manslaughter?
Yes.
Sayyid bhai, right?
Yes. I think because of the fact that it is not expected from prudent person that
For example, road 60 kilometer speed. Road 60 kilometer speed. I was driving 160 kilometer. Okay. And I killed someone. Because I got accident and killed someone. So can I charge for first degree murder?
No.
No.
So my intention was to driving a fast because I'm enjoying my car ride. I have a Mercedes, BMW, good cars. I have to enjoy my car. My planning was I got accident and this guy he was killed. My intention was not to kill. My intention was to enjoy my ride. My planning was not to kill. If there is no planning, there is no deliberation. Can I charge for first degree murder?
No.
No. No.
रजी भाई आप हमेशा लेट जवाब दे रहे हैं मुझे पहले दिया करें यू हैव टू आंसर ओके फर्स्ट डिग्री मर्डर आई कैन नॉट बी चार्ज कैन ही चार्ज फॉर सेकंड डिग्री मर्डर
No.
नो
No.
ओके इफ आई वाज चार्ज अंडर manslaughter
Manslaughter.
so Mr. Chaudhry was charged under manslaughter or refer to this criminal code examiner question Mr. Chaudhry was charged under this section open section okay this section because Crown is bound by criminal code. Okay, Mr. Chaudhry, Crown will prove Mr. Chaudhry mens rea. Objective mens rea. Okay, objective mens rea. Prudent person. Mr. Chaudhry, I will not gonna charge you for first degree murder because you don't have a plan to kill someone. Okay, I will not gonna charge you for the second degree murder because there is no planning. You didn't do any of action heat of the moment. You didn't do anything. Second degree murder, I'm not gonna charge, but I am bound by criminal code, and criminal code is telling prudent person test. You, whatever you did it, prudent person will not gonna drive 160 kilometer in a 60 kilometer zone. You can be charged for manslaughter.
Manslaughter.
Make sense? Because prudent person, you are markedly departure. You are markedly or substantially markedly departure from the prudent person test. Prudent person will not gonna drive 160 kilometer in a 60 kilometer zone and you are markedly departure. Departure means you are 160 kilometer zone, 60 kilometer zone. Mr. Chaudhary, you are markedly departure from the prudent person test. Got it? Mr. Chaudhary, Crown, I'm a Crown. Mr. Chaudhary, you are driving 160 kilometer in a 60 kilometer zone. You are markedly and substantial departure from the prudent person test. Prudent person will not gonna drive, so you will be charged under second degree, under manslaughter.
Manslaughter.
If 60 kilometer zone, I'm driving 80 kilometer. Everyone is driving 80 kilometer in 60 kilometer zone, even 90 kilometer. Depend on situation. Example, I was driving 80 kilometer in 60 kilometer zone. Then got accident and killed someone. Can I charge for a prudent person test?
No.
Prudent person means a common sense. Common sense. Go in on the roads. Everyone is driving 80 kilometer in 60 kilometer zone. Every single guy is driving. If I got accident, so prudent. So even it's an accident. I cannot be charged for first degree murder. I cannot be charged for second degree murder, or even I cannot be charged for criminal negligence causing death, manslaughter. Because prudent person, everyone is driving 80 kilometer in a 60 kilometer zone. Same way I was driving, it is an accident, not manslaughter. Make sense?
Yes. Yes.
Razi, make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just I need eye contact. Today is the first class. Again, I need eye contact.
I have one question, sir.
Huh.
If everyone is violating law by driving the car at 80 kilometer, and if I confronted with an accident, so how could I be treated as not in the category of manslaughter? Because everyone is running the car at 80 kilometer per hour instead of
in a 60 kilometer zone.
In a 60 kilometer zone, whether it does not apply that two wrongs do not make one right.
No. I mean, okay, I'm driving 80 kilometer in 60 kilometer zone.
Yeah.
Okay, 80 kilometer. I'm driving on my, I'm driving on my own lane. Someone is pedestrian. I mean, अब common sense use करें ना यार, 20 kilometers तो अब मैं कोई computer तो हूँ नहीं. Everyone is driving 80. Okay, in criminal law there is not a black and white. There is not a black and white. Oh, 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 30 kilometers more than speed limit. 40 kilometers more than speed limit. 50 kilometers more than speed limit. 51, 52, 53. So you have to use your common sense. Example. I'll give you one example. I have a 6-month-old baby. Lot of people, what they are doing? Throwing up, then catch. Throwing up, then catch. Throwing up, then catch. Right?
Yes.
रिजवी, अगर आप ना
Yeah.
फ्लैट एक्सप्रेशन के साथ आते हैं, राइट का मतलब होता है आप कब से कनाडा में बैठे हुए हैं वैसे बाय द वे?
5 year.
हाँ, तो राइट का मतलब होता है हाँ
You
या ना.
want a
You will not
response.
gonna give me answer, तभी तो वो आपको समझ नहीं आ रही क्योंकि आप फ्लैट हो जाते हैं. Lara is saying yes, I assume everyone got it. Rashi is saying yes, I assume everyone got it. If one person is saying yes, I'm gonna say all people are saying yes mean understand.
Okay.
Make sense? अगर आप फ्लैट हैं तो फिर I will assume one person is saying got it, yes,
Yes.
right, yes. It means everyone yes. Go ahead next step. फिर आप क्या होता है जब मैं नेक्स्ट स्टेप पे जाता हूँ पिछला स्टेप पूछ रहे होते हैं तो आई एम कंफ्यूज.
Okay, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Again, राइट का मतलब हाँ या ना. If anyone gonna say yes, I didn't get no, then gonna stop. Make sense?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Make sense?
Yes.
Okay. So I'm a father of my child, 6-month-old baby. Lot of people are while playing with the baby was slipped, fall down on the floor and die. Murder?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, hopefully your voice cracked.
I kill my okay. I was playing with my. I was playing. It means my planning was to kill my child. How? I was playing my real child. Lot of people are doing like this. Always खेलते हैं अपने बच्चों के साथ, right?
No.
ठीक है? Right? Lot of time they play. So how you can establish my mens rea for killing? Did I say you in the given scenario? I was playing with my child.
Mm.
These are fact pattern. Okay. At the time of the crime, I need your eye contact. First, common sense is very important. At the time of the crime, judge was present.
No.
Oh, no.
Of course, no. आपने इतना सोच के जवाब दिया इसका मतलब है कि आप लोगों को बेसिक ही एबीसी नहीं, एबीसी ही नहीं आती. No problem. Your condition is very bad, very poor actually. You have to work hard, too much work hard. At the time of the crime, judge was not present. At the time of the crime, crown prosecutor was not present.
No.
At the time of the crime, defense lawyer is not present.
Yes, sir.
Even at the time of the crime, police is not present. How are we gonna determine from the given scenario? From the evidence will be established. Evidence will be established. I just give you fact pattern. I was playing with my child. And there is no evidence. For example, some people have a sleepwalking problem. There was a one case, R versus Park. I need your eye contact. There was a one case, R versus Park. Okay, what happened in R versus Park? I need your eye contact. Mind, आप लिखा ना करें, जब मैं कहूँ तब लिखें, क्योंकि आपकी कंसंट्रेशन लिखने की तरफ हो जाती है. First, if I'm gonna say write it down, then write it down. What was a R versus Park? My name is Park. I was not divorced, but I was start fighting with my wife. Wife was separated. She was living in New Market. It's a real case. She was living in a New Market. I was, I think, in Mississauga. It's couple of years ago. I was in Mississauga. I had a problem with sleepwalking. I had a problem with
Sleepwalking.
sleepwalking. One day, middle of the night, I wake up, take a knife, driving a car straight way to my in-laws' house. 21 kilometer. I drive a car from my home till
My in-laws' house.
बोला करो यार आप मेरे साथ इतनी मिनट लगता है मैं चाकी मार रहा हूँ. I need it means what's that mean? बोलो मेरे भाई क्या हो गया यार. 1 2 3 next. Do you know how to 1 2 3 के बाद क्या आता है? Do you know?
4.
I think I have to stop the call. So you cannot. So anyway, guys, you have to watch my intro class from YouTube, or maybe better to refer to my old lecture. Old lecture is better. So you don't even know how to 1 2 3 after 1 2 3. What is after 1 2 3?
4 5
Your
6.
degrees. I have no idea from where you get the degree. यार 1 2 3 4 5 6. आपको गिनती भी नहीं आती तो यार भाई आपने लॉ के डिग्रीज कहां से? From where did you get the law degrees? 100% your degrees, with due to respect, you don't even know 1 2 3 after 1 2 3 what? 4 5 6. Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Right, right.
Yes, sir.
आप तो एक्टिव ही नहीं हो यार. मैं तो हैरान हूँ कि आपकी यूनिवर्सिटियां कौन कौन सी हैं. मुझे ये बताओ यार सीरियसली. What was the reason? Law society is very upset at me. Very upset. They said, how come you तूने हर बंदे को लॉयर बना दिया? किस तरह? They are putting me allegation. Aamer, you are a cheater. You are a cheater. Why you are a cheater? People are not even eligible for grade and they are becoming a lawyer in Canada. How come? यही वजह कि भाई वो मेरी एक एक्सपर्टीज है कि मैं जबरदस्ती आप लोगों को करा रहा हूं. अब आपको यही नहीं पता 1 2 3 आफ्टर 1 और 3 व्हाट 4 5 6. इसका मतलब है इट्स अ इंटरेक्टिव क्लास. अगर आप सुने जा रहे हैं I beg to say that I am so I cannot come to school. Kindly grant me leave for 1 day. Yours obediently, roll number 60. 100% you quit your quit. 100% quit. NCA. I just told you. I need a interactive class with due to respect. देखो मुझे I love to make money. I have to justify my money to the God after death. मैं आम बंदों की तरह नहीं हूँ. पैसे लिए और बस यार पैसे दे दे गिव मी मनी गिव मी मनी और पास होता है वो नहीं होता. नो, ये यहाँ पे ये नहीं चलेगा. फॉर श्योर इट विल नॉट गोना वर्क आउट. सब सोसाइटीज में यूनिवर्सिटीज में यही चलता है. टीचर कहता है यार माय जॉब इज जस्ट टू टीच. यू विल अंडरस्टैंड, यू विल नॉट गोना अंडरस्टैंड, जॉब इज डन. भाई मैंने अपने खुदा को जवाब देना है. क्या जवाब दूंगा? इन फ्रंट ऑफ द गॉड. आई टुक द मनी बट आई हैव टू गिव यू 100%. मेक सेंस?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आप फ्री हैं. अगर आपने नहीं ज्वाइन करना, यू आर फ्री. आई एम नॉट गोना फोर्स यू टू ज्वाइन माय क्लासेस. यू आर फ्री. इफ यू गोना ज्वाइन माय क्लासेस, यार वी हैव टू वर्क हार्ड, वर्क टुगेदर. और डोंट टेक मी रॉन्ग, ओके सैयद भाई,
Yes.
रशी, कपिल, वीपल, वीवो, लारा, you people are like my children. Make sense?
Yes.
If
Yes,
I'm gonna
sir.
say make sense, I need an answer yes. Even one of them. Or fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks is my name is Park. I live in the Mississauga. I was separated. My wife left me. Not divorce. It's a real case. She moved to his parents' house. Parent house. One day I had a sleepwalking problem. I had a
Sleepwalking.
sleepwalking problem. Mean 1 2 3 after 1 2 3.
4 5 6.
हाँ, किस तरीके से ताकि पता चले ना यू आर विद मी. Attractive class, interactive class. I have a communication problem, strong communication. Everywhere is a problem, but my attitude, only attitude. Okay, so I had a sleepwalking problem. So middle of the night, I drove my car from Mississauga to his house,
Yes.
my parents-in-law house. I killed father-in-law. I think I killed mother-in-law or grievous bodily harm father-in-law while sleeping. Then I wake up. I went to the police station. I admit police while sleepwalking. My intention was not to kill mother-in-law, not to kill father-in-law, attempted murder because he was alive. Then I surrendered before the police.
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 Police charge me under what section, Sayyid Bhai? Which section police could charge me?
For
Will-
objective manslaughter, sir.
देखिए पुलिस ने मुझे चार्ज करना है, मैं बकायदा 22 किलोमीटर मैंने ड्राइव किया है, इसका मतलब मेरी प्लानिंग थी, डेलिब्रेशन थी, पुलिस ने तो चार्ज, पुलिस विल चार्ज यू.
Yes.
So use your common sense. According to use your common sense. Police only gonna, oh, Mr. Chaudhry, you admit I killed 23 kilometers.
239, section
Of
239.
course, it's a planning and deliberation.
Yeah.
Common sense. Agar if you don't have a common sense is, of course, planning. Yeah, 23 kilometer drive. I drive my car 23 kilometer. Of course, I had a plan, right?
Okay.
And planning, action on planning, deliberation, and kill. So police charge me for first degree murder. Police charge me for
First degree murder.
First degree murder.
Okay. Then the point is, I said that then if they're gonna charge me for first degree murder, Crown has to prove issue. Mr. Park can be charged for first degree murder. Rule, refer to criminal code. Application, planning is there, deliberation is there. Conclusion, he can be charged for first degree murder. Offenses is done. Then defenses. I have to defense. What defense? Sleepwalking.
Sleepwalking.
I'm gonna say my mens rea was not present.
Not present.
How a judge gonna determine? Judge was not present. Crown prosecutor was not present. I was not present. Okay. Defense lawyer was not present.
Not present.
Even police is not present. How a judge gonna determine my mens rea was present?
Medical
From the
record.
get-go. Okay, just relation, write it down. Even remember, no, it's a common sense. Relation between the accused and the victim is very important. Relation between accused and the victim is very important. Relationship between accused, you can write. Relationship between accused and the victim. Who is accused in the given scenario? Mr. Park, myself. And victim who was killed.
Mother-in-law.
The accused and the victim is relevant. Standby evidence is very important. Standby evidence. My criminal history is very important.
Very important.
My medical history is very important. Then judge gonna make a decision. Just imagine, okay, based on, because at the time of the crime, judge is not present, police is not, a crown prosecutor is not present, which he will prove beyond the reasonable doubt that my mens rea is present. How are you gonna prove my mens rea? At the time of the crime, he was not present. He will prove, and judge will make a decision based on
Evidence.
what kind of relation, me and victim. Yaar, I was living in a separate mode, separation, doesn't mean I can kill. I got divorced in the real picture. What do you think? If divorce mean I'm gonna kill? If we are living in a separate, I'm gonna kill? So
No.
what happened? What evidence had been established? There are evidence established based on accused and the victim is relevant. Number one. Number two, standby evidence is very important. My medical history is very important. My criminal history is very important. We have to take all these factors, we have to take into account. All these factors we have to take into
Account.
Ye maza aaya na? This is good. We have to take into account. Then judge gonna make a decision. Finally, I was completely acquittal. Acquittal mean withdraw.
Withdrawal of charge.
Yes. Now we're gonna read this case right now. Okay, right now. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. एक second. See from, can you see the screen?
No, sir.
No,
No?
no.
No.
Okay, just 1 second. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. Can you see?
Oh, no, sir.
It's loading.
No.
Yeah, now it's visible.
We can see.
So किसकी राइट कौन अच्छा पढ़ सकता है? आहिस्ता आहिस्ता कौन पढ़ेगा? ऋषि भैया या who will
No problem.
read?
I can read.
Yeah, 1992 January 27 the real case. Okay, criminal law defense, can you read?
Criminal law, defenses, automatism, sleepwalking, respondent killing and injuring while asleep, whether sleepwalking could be classified as non-insane automatism, resulting in an acquittal or as a defeat
Don't worry
of the
about
mind.
it. Read from effect. Read from here. Respondent, which is myself.
Respondent attacked his parents-in-law, killing one and seriously injuring the other. The incident occurred at their home some 23 kilometers from respondent's residence during the night while they were both asleep in bed. Respondent had driven their by car. Immediately after the incident, the respondent went to a nearby police station, again driving in his own car, and told them what he had done. Respondent claims to have been sleepwalking throughout the incident. He had always
Throughout
been
the
a
incident, I'm telling to the judge, my mens rea was not present. So I was sleepwalking. Some people
Yeah.
have a sleepwalking problem. Okay, just imagine 23-kilometer judge. Use your even use your common sense. How is it possible 23 kilometer while 23 kilometer driving a car, still I was sleepwalking, kill, and then still drive my own car to the police station. After killing, I wake up. And finally, judge acquittal me. Acquittal me, no charges, free from charges. How
Discharge me.
wrong? What kind of relation do I have with me, with the defendant and the accused and the
Victim.
Accused and a victim.
victim? Accused, myself, I'm accused, victim. Then my criminal history, my medical history, my family history, standby evidence. Based on all these factors, we have to take into account, then make a decision. Okay, yes, go ahead.
He had always
Respondent?
been respondent claimed to have been sleepwalking throughout the incident. He had always been a deep sleeper and had a great deal of trouble waking up. The year prior to the incident was particularly stressful for the respondent, and his personal life suffered. His parents-in-law were aware of his problems, supported him, and had excellent relations with him.
So what do you
Additionally,
think? See, judges, just hold on. First, police will charge me. Crown will, doesn't matter. Crown will prove beyond the reasonable doubt. According to Crown, my mens rea is present because 23 kilometer. 20, my mens rea is present. Planning, deliberation, common sense, planning, 23 kilometer drive a car, planning is done. Now I have a defense. 20 marks question gonna come from offenses. Same question. Do I have a defense? Again, 15 marks question. 35 marks done. Do I have a defense? Yes, I have a defense.
Yes.
Defense is a
Yes.
sleepwalking.
Sleepwalking.
My mens rea was not present. Yes, my mens rea was not present. First of all, look at my deep sleeper, my great deal of trouble waking up. Okay, or my parents-in-law who were killed were aware of the problem, supported me,
And had excellent
and
relation.
had excellent relation with me. Several members of my family members suffer and have suffered from sleep problem such as sleepwalking, adult, whatever. So in in based पे they supported me. Everything is done. देखो ना, जो kill हो गया वो तो kill हो गया. If one person is killed, other one attempted murder. He was alive, but still he supported me. Then they look at my criminal history, 0. My family history, everyone, a lot of people were involved in this matter. My criminal history, no criminal history. Number 2, medical history. Of course, there is a medical history, and my personal incident occurred before this incident. Number 3, I had a great relation with them. Although we were separated, she was my wife, mother. Even wife supported me. Although this guy, we were living in a separate mode, separately, but doesn't mean I'm gonna kill. So based on all these factors, judge said no, there is no mens rea.
And I've been
And
acquitted.
established. Above improve. Okay, acquittal. Okay. Okay. Now respondent was charged
with first-degree murder and attempted murder. At the trial, respondent presented a defense of automatism. The testimony of 5 expert witnesses called by the defense was not contradicted by the Crown. This evidence
Okay, just hold on. First evidence, my father-in-law, who I attacked his wife. I killed your wife or attacked to my father-in-law. He supported me. First evidence, I established he supported me. Crown, judge, he is supporting me. Number 2, my medical history. Look at my medical history. At the time of course, I showed some medical history. My criminal history, 0 background, 0 criminal history. 5 expert evidence I showed, and there is no contradict evidence given by
Crown.
अब मजा आया ना, ये चीज है. इसका मतलब now you are trying to understand. Okay, for example, you said I kill. Okay, I said I didn't kill. I have a 4 evidence, and you did not contradict. Mean you admitted. If I'm saying, hey Rashi, you are stealer. If you are quiet, it means you are stealer. So you did not contradict from me. So I produced 5 evidence which Crown did not contradict. Everything was in the exam question. Because at the time of the crime, judge is not present. Real case. At the time of the crime, Crown prosecutor was not present. Defense lawyer was not present. Even police is not present. But I established my evidence, and evidence given from my side, which is not contradicted by the Crown as a whole. Judge acquittal me.
Got it.
Okay, sir.
Make sense?
Yes, sir.
The respondent was charged with first-degree murder, and testimony of 5 expert witness called by the
The testimony of 5 expert witnesses called by the defense was not contradicted by the Crown. The evidence was that respondent was sleepwalking, and that sleepwalking is not a neurological, psychiatric, or other illness. The trial judge put only the defense of automatism to the jury, which acquitted respondent of first-degree murder and then of second-degree murder. The judge
then of second acquittal for first-degree murder. Then he charged me for second-degree murder. Okay. Then I went to the higher court.
The judge then acquitted the respondent of the charge of attempted murder. The Court of Appeal unanimously upheld the acquittal. At issue here is whether sleepwalking should be classified as non-insane automatism resulting in
First, remember one thing. Your vocabulary should be very improved. Vocabulary is very important. What is the meaning of accused? What is the meaning of victim? What is the meaning of acquittal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Just for 1 second. Honestly, I'm telling you right here. Just I need your eye contact. Rizvi bhai, when
Yes,
you
sir.
start my NCA, when I started my NCA, my educational background was -100. I was failure in my whole life. Grade 1, I was fail. Grade 5, I was fail. From grade 5 to grade 6, lowest school, I couldn't get the admission. Then grade 10, grade 12. When I thought I'm gonna start my NCA, when I thought I'm gonna start my NCA, my whole family was saying, including my brother, don't even think to clear grade 10. My condition was, when I start my NCA, I make my own dictionary. देखो इस डिक्शनरी में क्या लिखा हुआ है, यू हैव नो आइडिया. ये क्या लिखा है? एक्विटल.
Acquittal.
एक्विटल. एक्विटल. अब देखेंगे क्या लिखा हुआ है.
Acquittal. Accuse.
एक्यूज्ड. ठीक है, एक्विटल, एक्यूज्ड. अब ये देखें, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है?
Assault.
असॉल्ट. अब मुझे असॉल्ट, ये देखें उर्दू में क्या लिखा हुआ है? हमला. ठीक है, ए, ये देखें बी, बियॉन्ड. दूसरी तरफ ये मेरी हालत है, मुझे बियॉन्ड का मतलब नहीं पता था. कंडक्ट, कंडक्ट इन माय ओन लैंग्वेज, चालो चलन. कैन यू सी? ओके, जस्ट फॉर 1 सेकंड यार, मेरी ये हालत थी कि स्मॉल वर्ड्स आई डिडंट इवन नो. डिस्पोज, डीड, सी डी, दिस इज अ डी. ओके, ई. अभी देखें, अब ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? एनएबल. एनएबल टू मेक एबल, काबिल बनाना. उर्दू में काबिल बनाना, इन माय ओन लैंग्वेज. सीई. छोटे छोटे वर्ड यार. एस्केपिंग, क्या लिखा हुआ है? एस्केपिंग, हाइड. ठीक है, ये देखें एक सेकंड, जस्ट वो, ये देखें गिव इट, गिव इट. आई डिडंट इवन नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ गिव इट. गार्डनर, गिव अपॉन. जस्ट ये क्या लिखा हुआ है? हार्म, हार्म, HAR, हार्म. अभी
Harm.
देखो, मुझे हार्म मतलब नहीं पता था यार. लुक एट माय कंडीशन. लीन बॉडी, सी. ये देखें क्या लिखा है? सेंटेंस. मुझे सेंटेंस का, आई डिडंट इवन नो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ सेंटेंस. देन आई यूज्ड माय ओन लैंग्वेज. ए, हुक्म सजा, कत्ल. देखें सस्पेक्ट, मशकूक. द पॉइंट इज मेक योर ओन डिक्शनरी. इफ आई कैन डू इट, यू कैन डू इट. अब मेरे से नालायक दुनिया में कोई था ही नहीं. मेक सेंस?
Yes, sir.
अब हमें देखो 25 hours. Okay, today. Okay, so 25 hours. Just I give you a general idea. Oh, first degree murder, second degree murder, general idea. Okay, so 25 hours. Example. I teach. You have to revise. Okay, then next 25 hours. What happened? R versus Park. Okay, what happened? R versus Park. Go into Google. Okay, Google. Just go for 1 second. Next, for example, 2 hours I taught, then 2 hours you have to revise whatever I teach. Okay, first degree murder, second degree murder, 4 hours. Or next, see 25 hours, 25 hours, 50 hours. Next 50 hours, now we are going for next 50 hours. एक second, share the screen just for 1 second. How to share the screen? Just for 1 second. See, share. No, just 1 second. How to first go into. Okay, share. एक second, share कर ही देते हैं. देखें how share the screen. Can you see?
No, sir.
No.
Can you see?
No.
No, not yet.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now see Google. Go into Google. ठीक है, अरे यहाँ पे डाल दें. ये देखें Oh, okay. NCA syllabus. See, NCA syllabus. Here.
We can only see your PDF.
Can you see criminal law?
We can't see your Google search.
नहीं ये सब स्क्रीन नजर आ रही है कि नहीं?
We can see the park case on the screen.
Only the park case.
Park case तो मैंने ओपन नहीं किया हुआ यार, पता नहीं यार क्या, I don't know. फिर I don't know. You have to go into okay. I don't know. एक second. R versus Park. We can open R versus Park 1992. Just hold on. ये मैं खोलता हूँ. Last time I'm gonna try. Okay. Can you see the screen?
No, sir.
No.
I don't know. I have no idea.
Now we can see.
Yeah.
See, R versus Park cases, Supreme Court of Canada. ये कैनली के cases आपने पढ़ना है. This one, brown color. This one. Again, see, R versus Park. This is Supreme Court of Canada. Supreme Court. This is. Take a picture. Take this one. This one. Not this one. Not this one. Once you're gonna click R versus Park cases. See, brown color is very important. Supreme Court of Canada cases. अब ये देखें. ठीक है. How to read extra 50 hours? Read from here. Can you read?
1992, January 27.
From here, can you see my cursor?
Yeah. Criminal law, defenses, automatism, sleepwalking, respondent killing and injuring while asleep, whether sleepwalking should be classified as non-insane automatism, resulting in an acquittal or as a defense of the mind, giving rise to the special
So
verdict
don't
of
read from here.
Respondent attacked his parents-in-law, killing one and seriously injuring the other. The incident occurred at their home some 23 kilometers from respondent's residence during the night while they were both
Same. You can read from till here. You will understand each and everything. Extra 50 hours, you have to read only this one. Up to head or up to case law. Up to example, up to case cited. That's it. That's it. Up to case cited. See, case cited, case cited, case cited. Don't worry about case cited. Read up to case cited. Write into this is the extra 50 hours. You're gonna read from here. Then this is a held. Appeal should be dismissed. Then read from here. Up to
case cited.
Case cited.
Up to
Case cited.
case cited. Exactly. Makes sense? The point is how it's gonna work out. So basically, I just give you a demonstration. Okay, is basic tenet. Okay, just I need your eye contact. No one gonna write. First, always offense. Every offense has a
Defense.
Direct.
defense. Every offense has a defense. Then what is a procedure? Procedure, don't worry about it. So offense is my name is Park. Facts are I was driving 23 kilometers from my home to my father, to my parents-in-law. I killed one of them, mother-in-law. I killed mother-in-law, grievous bodily harm, attempted murder to my father-in-law. Then I went to the police station. I told them I had a sleepwalking problem. Police job is not to convict. What is difference between charge? Make your own dictionary. Police will charge me and Crown will prove. No, police will charge me. Crown will prove beyond the reasonable doubt. In judge, Crown, myself, defense lawyer, Crown issue whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged for first degree murder.
First degree.
Rule, refer to criminal code. Refer to criminal code in the examination hall or in the court is the same procedure. After rule, refer to criminal code, then application. Crown has to close your eyes. Crown has to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that actus reus must be present, mens rea must be present, along with factual and legal causation. Now open your eyes. Refer to my IRAC if IRAC is available for first degree murder. If IRAC is not available, refer to
Criminal code.
Criminal code.
criminal code. How to read actus reus from the criminal code, how to pick up actus reus from criminal code, how to pick up mens rea from the criminal code. You must watch my intro of
YouTube.
Canadian criminal law from the YouTube. It's very 4-hour lecture or 4 hours, 4 years ago, 3 to 4 years ago.
Okay.
And then Crown gonna say you have planning. Of course, Crown gonna say you have a planning, you have a deliberation. Offenses, you have a planning, you have a deliberation. Whatever your Crown, you prove your actus reus is done. Your job is done. Offenses, Crown will prove beyond the reasonable doubt. You are trying to prove my actus beyond the reasonable doubt. My actus reus is present. My act. I kill. No one didn't. Someone did kill. I kill. My actus reus prove my mens rea, my intention. What was intention? Subjective mens rea. My planning and my deliberation achieve the result. My first degree murder is done according to your Crown. Now I have to tell my defense to the
To the offense.
no Crown defense.
Oh, okay.
Have you ever been to court? Have you ever been to court?
Sorry.
If
Yes.
Crown prosecutor is here, left hand side defense lawyer is here, and we're gonna tell to
Address the
court.
judge.
judge.
Yeah.
Right? Judge. Pata na judge, do you know judge?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, judge. Judge gonna make conviction. So Crown will prove offenses. I have to tell judge my defense. My defense was Crown. I have to judge. I have to prove same time examination issue whether Mr. Chaudhry can be established issue. Mr. Chaudhry, it means we are writing in the examination hall. We are writing into examination. We are typing issue whether Mr. Chaudhry can be established a defense, whatever the defense is, right? Rule.
Yes.
Refer to criminal code. Application. Mr. Chaudhry or Park has to, defense lawyer will prove based on balance of probability. Crown will prove beyond the reasonable doubt. My actus reus is there. My mens rea is there. My mens rea is present. I have to disapprove. Based on balance of probability. I'm gonna say my mens rea was missing. How judge my mens rea was missing? Because at the time of the crime, you are not present. He is not present. Police is not present. Look at my relation between, in the given scenario, judge, I produce one evidence. He spotted me. His wife was killed. Daughter was separated, and they are spotting me.
They are supporting.
Although they spotted me. One evidence. Second evidence, my family background history. Look at my family background history. In the exam, they will show you, because at the time of the crime, it's an exam question. So examiner will show, oh, Mr. Park showed there was evidence. He didn't have any criminal history. He didn't have any family. He have a strong family history, sleepwalking, no criminal history, great relation with the respondent. Respondent accused with the victim, accused and the victim, great relation. I give all evidence, and Crown did not contradict any evidence. How we gonna pick up from the given scenario, from the exam question?
Okay.
Make sense? From
Yes,
the
sir.
exam question. तो हमने तो exam के question के base पे decide करना. If silent, then it means we gonna win. We have to create a doubt. So So based on evidence, I can establish a defense, or should be acquittal, or should not be acquittal. How is going to work out? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
Last. Okay, next class gonna be free again. Next class gonna be free. My next class gonna be free as well. Second intro of Canadian criminal law. Same time, 4:30 to 7. Okay, no, second is second. Okay, for example, self-defense. Okay, offenses, couple of offenses, whole criminal code is offenses. Okay, then defenses. How many defense do we have in criminal code, in prescribed by NCA? एक second. क्रिमिनल कोड ये कैसे करते हैं, ओपन कैसे करते हैं यार? ये गूगल, जस्ट 1 सेकंड, गूगल ही नहीं मेरे से खोला जाता यार.
Should I
Okay.
share my screen and open
Can you
Google?
see the screen? Can you see the screen?
Sir,
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes.
Can you see exam outline and sample?
No,
No.
No.
यार ये क्यों नहीं आता यार? शिट
we are
मैन,
just
आते ही
seeing
Sir,
some.
हैं?
do you want me to share my screen and open NCA page?
एक सेकंड ठहर जा यार. एक सेकंड यार, मैं देखता हूँ, दोबारा ट्राई करते हैं. पता नहीं यार, आई हैव नो आइडिया. चलो मैं ट्राई करता हूँ, इस तरह ट्राई करके. कैन यू सी?
No.
No.
Still you cannot see?
No, sir.
No.
Then don't worry about it. Oh, it's okay, don't worry about it. So you have to read syllabus, criminal code. You have to read the syllabus. Syllabus is, okay, I make my own syllabus. Okay, you have to read. Just one second. Now I'm gonna share the screen. Okay, then just 1 second. Criminal defenses. I have my own, for example. So if you're gonna read syllabus, there are defenses: automatism, defense of mental disorder, self-defense, provocation, duress, necessity, intoxication, defense of property. Almost total 10 defenses, 8 in my IRACs. If you're gonna read syllabus, there are defenses. For example, one defense is a self-defense. I'm gonna start from self-defense. It's just an intro. Self-defense is, we're gonna start from
Self-defense.
self-defense. I need your eye contact. Dekho, I need your eye contact. Are you bored or are you learning?
Learning.
Learning.
7 o'clock,
Learning.
I'm gonna finish. Okay. You know what? Okay. So criminal law has 3 parts. One is offenses. One is
Defense.
Procedure.
procedure. Offenses, whole, these are offenses. Thousands of offenses. Everywhere is offenses. Bomb blast, assault, attempted murder, killing, second-degree murder, criminal, so many offenses. Fraud, sex, rape, so many offenses. I have only 20 IRACs for offenses. 20 IRACs for offenses. So rest of the offenses, offense. First, Mr. Chaudhry was charged under any offense. Thousands of offenses, any offense. For example, offenses, any offense, 333. Mr. Chaudhry was charged under 333 offense. What do you think? I'm a crown prosecutor. Look at my body language. Who am I?
A crown prosecutor.
prosecutor.
Crown prosecutor. Issue, same time, judge, crown prosecutor,
And defense lawyer.
defense lawyer. Same time we are writing examination hall, typing. Issue, same, you understand my point?
Yes,
Same
sir.
time we are telling to the judge, same time writing. Issue, whether Mr. Chaudhry can be charged under this offense. Rule, only referred, REFER, refer to criminal code. That's it. Rule, refer to criminal code. Application, the Crown has to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that Mr. Chaudhry have actus rea, mens rea, beyond the reasonable doubt, along with factual and legal causation. Make sense? Typing.
Yes.
Then
sir.
open your eye in the exam. Oh, we have for this offense, we have a IRAC. If yes, refer to my IRAC. If not, open criminal code. In the criminal code, oh, you must watch my intro from YouTube. Criminal code. Who am I? Right now, who am I?
Crown prosecutor.
Crown prosecutor.
Crown prosecutor. Okay, issue is done. Rule is done. Application. Crown will prove beyond the reasonable doubt that his actus rea and mens rea must be present along with factual and legal causation. Then,
Yes.
okay, rule. Then rule applying to the application. Application, whether whatever the application. Okay, application mens rea is present. Okay, mens rea is objective mens rea. Okay, criminal code is telling Mr. Chaudhry, you have objective mens rea. You are driving 160 kilometer in 60 kilometer zone. Objective mens rea, prudent person will not gonna drive whatever you drive. 160 kilometer in 60 kilometer zone, which clearly shows that you are markedly departure. You are markedly departure from the reasonable prudent person test. Reasonable person will not gonna drive 160 kilometer in a 60 kilometer zone.
So,
You are markedly departure that limit. So your objective mens rea has been established. So conclusion, yes, you can be established. You can convict. You can charge under this offense. Okay?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Right? Okay. Of course, is okay, no problem. Or subjective mens rea is required. Okay, subjective mens rea for murder. Subjective mens rea. For first degree murder, for planning and deliberation. Second degree murder, planning plus heat of the moment likely to cause death, likely to cause bodily harm. Heat of the moment. Second degree murder. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
So offenses are done. Then second, I kill Mr. Rashi. Okay, I have a defense. Defense example, self-defense. I'm gonna teach you just for 10 minutes. Then again, we're gonna start from self-defense. Defenses, we're gonna start from defenses. Self-defense. I'll just give you example. Self-defense. What is self-defense? Self-defense is no rule should be in your mind. For example, if rule is not in your mind, then how you gonna apply into the application? For example, Lara, I need your eye contact. Whenever you're gonna read the rule, you should understand rule is, we have to prove mens rea, objective mens rea. Okay, objective mens rea, prudent person test. Rule is we have to establish example. Rule is we have to establish subjective mens rea. Okay, for first degree murder, this is the rule. Rule we're gonna pick up from the criminal code.
Deliberation.
Yes, makes sense. For example,
Yes.
now a rule. Okay, I have offensive. I kill Mr. Okay, Rashi is telling, oh, you people are loser, loser, loser. Okay, Rashi is no. I told Rashi, you are a loser, loser, loser. One day Rashi is very upset. Right? Rashi, you Indian people are loser. You Indian people are loser. One day, middle of the night, Rashi is came to my office with a knife. Rashi came to my office with a knife.
Knife.
Then what happened? I have to save my life. I was trying to save my life. While saving my life, you were killed. You were
Killed.
Yes.
killed. When you were killed, someone gonna call police. Police will come. Police gonna say exactly what happened. They don't know about law. Police don't know about law. They are expert in question of facts. What facts? I kill him. Facts are I
Killed him.
Killed.
She came to my office for killing me. Somehow, while killing, I have to save my life. While saving my life, you were killed. I kill you. Then police is gonna charge me for maybe first degree murder, maybe for second degree murder. No problem. Police gonna charge me for second degree murder. Second degree murder, or he came to my office, whatever, second degree murder, offenses are done. Don't worry about it. Then, which defense I'm gonna file?
Self-defense.
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 Self-defense. Okay, the rule now issue whether Mr. Chaudhry can establish a self-defense. Rule refer to criminal code. Application. Mr. Chaudhry will prove based on balance of probability that my Mazria was not present. My Mazria was
Not present.
not according to Crown. Crown is behalf of the police. My Mazria is present. I have to disapprove based on balance of probability. Okay, my Mazria was not present. Now, what is a rule? Just for 1 second. What is a rule? A second. Just 1 second. Can you see the screen?
No.
Yes.
Okay, self-defense. Issue, Mr. Chaudhry can establish a self-defense. R versus Leval. Okay, rule, cut, copy, paste. Okay. But we have to understand the rule. What is the rule? Can you read the rule? Rule applying to application. Okay, application. The rule is, okay, first, but rule should be in your mind. Okay, after reading, understand. Okay, rule. Okay, self-defense for me. So what is the rule of rule? Can you read?
They believe on reasonable
They
grounds.
believe, I believe. Accused believe.
That force is being used against them or another person, or that a threat of force is being made against them or another person.
Okay, they believe. Mr. Chaudhry, okay, Rashi was entering into my office with a big knife. So what do you think? Do I have a reasonable belief that you can carry it out something illegal thing? You don't need to come to my office with a knife. A knife is a bigger knife. Yes, can you establish first 34(1)(a), 34
1.
Criminal Code 34 section 1(a). Can you establish? Yes, I have a reasonable belief that middle of the night he was entering into my office with a big knife. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes, first I have established. Second,
Acts that constitute the offense is committed for the purpose of defending or protecting themselves or the other person from that use or threat of force.
act that constitute offense. My act that completed for the purpose of defending myself. My act. Crown prosecutor, my act, my intention was not to kill him. My intention was to protect myself. While protecting myself, he was killed. My intention was not to kill. His intention was to kill me. My intention was not to kill him. My intention was to preserve my life. Okay, while preserving my life. But there is one point. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, just hold on. Okay. Why? Okay, just hold on. I need a second. This is also second is very important. So this is also second. Can you read? This is also second. Can you read?
To which the
Whether
use
there
of
are whether
whether there were other means available to respond to the potential use of force.
इसका मतलब ये है, for example, okay, so Crown, just I knew. So first 34(1)(a), Crown, I have a reasonable belief there is no point. This guy, he entered middle of the night with a big knife. Of course, I was scared. I have a reasonable belief that he can carry out his offense. First step is done, right? Second is 34(1)(b) of the criminal code. See, I picked up from criminal code. Number 2, Crown, his intention was to kill me. My intention was not to kill Rashi. I need your eye contact. Rashi,
Yes.
I need your eye
Yes, sir.
contact.
Yes.
Who is this guy?
Become?
Crown.
Um,
Who am I?
Become.
accused.
Hence lawyer. So which point we are talking? 34(1)?
34B.
34(1)?
B.
No.
B. A is done. What is A? A is A. 34(1)(a), Crown, when he was entering middle of the night with the knife, of course, I have a reasonable belief that he can kill me.
You can attack me.
Because there is tension is already going on. When I tease him, oh, you people are loser. One day he called me, he said, you know what, I'm going to kill you. So based on all these factors, when he entered into my facility with a big knife, of course, there is a fact behind, there is something going on. That's why you came to my office with a knife. Without any reason, you will not gonna carry a knife middle of the night. Okay, I have a reasonable belief he can kill me. So 34(1)(2), my purpose was not to kill him. My intention was not to kill him. His intention was to kill me, but my intention was not to kill him. My intention was to preserve my life. While preserving my life, he was killed. And same time, 34(1)(b), same. And I don't have any other options available. I don't have any other options available other than to kill him. For example, I need eye contact. Okay. For example, look at my this one. I have 2 exit, 2 door. You enter from 2 door. Okay. Now I'm sitting. You are coming here. So your knife is here. So do I have other options available to run away? Do I have? Knife is here. You are here. Do I have other options available to run away?
Yes.
No.
Yes.
Yeah, that do.
Okay. Knife is here. So where would I run away? Common sense ही नहीं है यार. Hey, Lara,
Yes.
if I have a gun is right here. Do you have other options available to run away?
No.
Of course, no. It's a common sense. If you don't, people have a common sense. Honestly, lawyer is 80% is a common sense.
Yes.
20% is a rule, 80% is a common sense.
Common
Common sense is look at यार मैं किधर भागूंगा दीवार तोड़ के भागूंगा. Can he run away? Of course, you are here with a knife. I'm here. What should I do? Can he run away? Other options available to preserve my life? Yes or no?
No.
No.
No. I have only one option to preserve my life, to kill you. Make sense?
Yes.
Yes.
I can establish a defense. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Same way. Look at this one. Now accused is, okay, you came to my office from this door. There is a door. You enter. You start talking. Now You are this way. Now you stand up here. Still is a, now you are here. Now you are on the corner. You are in the corner, or we are talking. You are here, I'm here. As soon as you took off the knife, 34 1A. I have a, when you took up, you are sitting here, I'm sitting here. Hey, what happened, Rashid? Don't be upset, but don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Hey, Rashid, as soon as Rashid is standing here, Rashid took up the knife. When he took up the knife, I was standing here. I have a reasonable belief when he took up the knife. Yes, I have a reasonable belief that he can carry out his offense. Whatever he told me, I'm gonna kill you. Now he took up the knife. I have a reasonable belief. Make sense? 34 1
Yes.
A is established, right?
Yes, sir. It
Yes.
is satisfied.
Now, what is 34 2B? Okay. Do I have other options available to preserve my life?
No,
Here,
no other option. There
yes
is a,
or no?
you have.
You are here with a knife, not gun, with a knife. I have other options. I'm standing here. You are here with a knife. You took up the knife. As soon as you took up the knife, ran away. Right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Or, okay, if I'm gonna, okay, I have other options available to run away. But I decided when you took up the knife, or when you took up the knife, I said, hey, you fuck off. You took up the knife. I took off gun. Can you establish a defense?
I still think you can establish a defense of self-defense. It took out the knife and
Okay.
you have to
When he
defend
took
yourself
up the
with the
knife,
gun.
okay, just hold on. You took up the knife from here. I'm sitting here close to the door. Oh, you took up the knife. I have other options available. But I decided I'm not gonna avail that option. I took up the gun and kill you. Can you establish a defense?
No,
Why not?
because we have other options.
Yes, I have other options available to preserve my life other than to kill him.
Yes.
Okay, there was a door, just ran away. But here, I'm stuck here, you are here in front of me. Or if you had a gun, gun, use your common sense, gun. Okay, for example, I'm sitting here, Rashid here. Hey, Mr. Chaudhry, this is a gun, kitchen. Just use your common sense. Gun is at you, and you are closing the door, right on the door. Gun, within 1 second, I can hit you. Before you're gonna hit me, maybe you're gonna took the gun and kill me. According to situation. Use your common sense.
Yes.
Make sense? Use your common sense.
Yes.
If accuse has, I may accuse, I kill you. If I have other options available, I must use other options.
Other options.
Not to kill. Other options available, and then I killed, I cannot establish a defense. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Third one. The act
The act
committed
is
reasonable-
reasonable in the circumstances
no more force than necessary.
necessary.
No more force than necessary.
Than
Just
necessary.
1 second. Just 1 second. Just 1 second. हेलो हाँ जी वालेकुम सलाम मैं ठीक हूँ हाँ जी आ जाए ठीक है ओके मैं क्लास में हूँ, आप ऑलरेडी सेंड कर दिए, ठीक है, ओके, थैंक यू, आ जाए, वेट। ओके, देन थर्ड स्टेप इज being accused. I have to establish all these 3 steps. Third one is rule act is okay, mean no more force. For example, Rashid came to my office with a knife. Rashid came to my office with a knife. I can defend myself with a knife. No more force. More force is gun. If you are using knife, I can defend myself with a knife. If you are empty-handed, then I have to defend my empty-handed. You are punching on my face, I have to. This is a general principle. Knife versus knife, punch versus punch, gun versus gun. This is a general rule. Make sense? There is a general rule, but exception is Rush is here, knife is here, knife is here. Okay. Do I have? So first of all, Rashi came to my office. Enter. Knife is here. 34 1A. Okay. So what do you think? Do I have a reasonable belief that you can carry out your offense to killing? Do I have reasonable belief?
Yes.
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 Number two, do I have other options available to preserve my life other than to kill you?
No.
No.
No. Number 3, okay, I cannot use more force. Knife versus knife. It's a general principle. But I have a gun in my pocket. I have a gun in my pocket. I kill you from the gun. Which is justified or which is not
No.
justified?
Not justified.
100% justified.
Justified.
तो मैं इस वक्त क्या करता? मैं कहूँगा, oh, where is the knife? Where is the knife? I have to kill him from the knife to knife. General principle is that knife versus knife. But look at the situation.
Yeah.
You had a knife in
On your
my
neck.
neck. I have a gun in my table. I have a gun in my hand. I have a gun in my hand. Of course, I'm gonna use excessive force, which is justified in the given
The
scenario.
circumstances.
So I'm not gonna be, oh, I have a gun, I'm not gonna use the gun. Use your common sense. I have a gun. Before you gonna do like this, of course, I'm gonna use gun and kill you to preserve my life.
Got it.
Depend on given scenario. Make sense?
Yes.
So general principle is that when he was using a gun, I have to defend myself with the when you are using a knife, I have to use no more force than necessary. Knife versus knife. If he is using a knife, I have to defend myself through
No.
knife. General principle. But in the given scenario, look at the scenario. I couldn't find knife. I had a loaded gun. Of course, my life is more important than your life because you are trying to kill me. Before you're gonna kill me, I have to defend myself and to kill you.
Got
And
it.
that's why I use excessive force, which is justified under the given scenario. But same way, corner. You have a knife. You have a knife in the corner. You are standing in the corner in the knife with the knife. Okay? You had a knife. I had a gun. Third step. I'm sitting here, standing here. Here. Can you see me?
Yes.
Yes.
Now you took off the knife. So what should I do? If I'm going to use gun, it is justified. Gun and
No.
kill you, it is justified.
No.
Why not?
No.
Because you have
Yeah,
other
other means.
Because I have other options available,
Options.
and on top of that, I use excessive force.
Yeah.
Even I had a knife, still ran away.
Yeah. Yes, sir.
यार एंजॉय भी कर रहे हैं कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes,
Yes.
sir. Yes.
Yes, Lara, did you enjoy?
Yes, yes, I did.
Today is the first class. I just introduce criminal law, how it's gonna work out. Police gonna charge you. Police will charge you, and police gonna give charge sheet to the crown prosecutor. Now crown prosecutor issue whether this guy can be charged for this offense. Rule, refer to criminal code. Application, close your eye, typing. Crown has to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that Mr. Chaudhry, Actor C and Mazria must be present along with factual and legal causation. Then open in the examination hall. Oh, IRAC is available. Available. Pick up IRAC. Oh, what is the rule? Okay. Okay. Example. Okay. Then pick up IRAC available. Rule. Okay. What is the rule? Okay. Rule apply into the application. Okay. If you don't remember the rule, oh, what is rule is done. Oh, Mr. Chaudhry, your planning, your deliberation, first degree murder is done. Your man. Okay. Then I have to file a defense. Issue. Can he charge under, can he file a defense for self-defense? Rule, refer to criminal code. Application, Mr. Chaudhry will prove based on balance of probability that my Mazria is not present. Then rule, apply to the application. Application, oh, first step is 34(1)(a) of the criminal code. I have a reasonable belief that you, when you took off the knife, middle of the night, came to my office, took off the knife, middle of the night, there is no point. You will come in my office with a bigger knife and you threat me even half an hour ago. And you enter half an hour ago, you threat me, or not even threat. You enter, took off knife, bigger knife, and you are trying to kill me. I have a reasonable belief that you will kill me.
Kill me.
Number two, I have other options available. If I have other options available as a defense, avail that options. Not to kill. But in the given scenario, I don't have other options available. Knife is right here. I don't have any other options available to preserve my life other than to kill him. Okay, no problem. Then third one is, I use
No more
excessive
force
force.
than necessary.
I use excessive force. Yes, judge, I agree. Knife, I'm not allowed to use excessive force. But look at the given scenario. Knife is right here. So will I find a knife? Of course not. I didn't have a time to find a knife to defend myself. I had a loaded gun. So I kill him. I use excessive force, which is justified under the given scenario. If I'm not going to use excessive force, he's going to kill me.
Yeah.
So before he's going to kill me, I have to preserve my life other than to kill him. I have to preserve my life. My intention was not to kill him. I use excessive force. I know general rule is that I am not allowed to use excessive force. But in the given scenario, depend on scenario. I was there, you are here. I was here, you are here. Depend on scenario. Law may be justified, law may not be justified. Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
That's it. Did you really enjoy?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Lara?
Yes, I did.
So in next class, how is going to work out? You know what? Today is a homework for next class. Today is a homework for next class.
Next class.
First, write it down in YouTube. NCA Exam Guru. Must watch how to pick up accuracy and Mazria from the criminal code. You must borrow criminal code or buy criminal code. 2021 and up. This is a good. Martin is not good. Martin, black color Martin is not good. Okay, but Premier, this is good. If any criminal code other than Premier, this should be annotated. Should be annotated. If annotated, you can buy.
I have 2019 annotated edition.
Yeah, 2019 is very old actually. Now 2024.
It's the same writer, David Watt.
No, but his laws been changed.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, at least 2021 and up.
Okay. Sir.
At least 2020 is good too. But 2019 is little older.
Okay, sir.
So you can borrow from somewhere.
Okay, sir.
So
I will
in
try.
next class, my way of teaching is, okay, so first, okay. So I'm going to start from the defenses. In next class, there are total 10 defenses. I'm going to teach automatism. I already teach self-defense. Then third one, 3 defenses. Next class, I'm going to teach 3 defenses. First one is automatism. Second one, which I already taught, self-defense. And third one is, which one I'm going to teach? Third one is provocation. Whatever. Provocation. Okay. Good, guys? Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Just for one second. Close all tabs. Yes, did you really enjoy this class?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Lara,
Yes.
Razi, Rashi, Vivo, you people. Okay, again. Just I'm gonna finish. Offenses, defenses, procedure. Offenses, issue, rule, application, conclusion. Crown will prove examiner question would be your issue. Then second step is the rule. Rule is examiner question is Mr. Chaudhry was charged under 333 section. Rule refer to 333 of the criminal code. That's it. Then application, Crown has to prove beyond the reasonable doubt that accuracy and mens rea must be present along with factual and legal causation. Then next step is you're gonna refer to my IRAC or you're gonna refer to YouTube channel. YouTube, how to pick up accuracy from the criminal code, how to pick up mens rea from the criminal code. Then so basically you have to okay, this just only 4-hour lecture. Your homework is you must watch 4-hour lecture from YouTube. You will understand accuracy and mens rea. That's it. But that's it. Only one homework, 4-hour lecture from YouTube. I'm 24/7 available. Doesn't matter. You are my student. You are not my student. I'm 24/7 available. 100 times a day, you can give me a call.
Okay.
Okay. Then second, defenses. I'm going to start from defenses first. Defenses, I'm going to done defenses. Then I'm going to defenses procedure. Then we're going to start offenses. How is going to work out? Lara, is that okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So next week, you must watch in 4-hour intro from YouTube. So you will learn next week how to pick up accuracy from the criminal code. How to, this is done. This is sufficient.
Okay.
Then defenses, whole focus gonna be defenses.
Okay.
Same as self-defense. Then automatism, provocation, intoxication, extreme intoxication, sleepwalking, all defenses we can read and understand. Maybe next 3 classes gonna be defenses. Next 3 classes gonna be defenses. Next 3 classes gonna be procedure. 6 classes. The rest of the remaining classes, 3 to 4, we're gonna cover.
Field of criminal law syllabus.
Offenses.
This is criminal law. Of course, it's a criminal law.
Offenses. We are going to cover
Today or next, most likely 2 to 3 classes, we're gonna finish defenses. Next 2 to 3 classes, we're gonna finish defenses. Next 2 to 3 classes, we're gonna finish procedure. Defense, procedure, 6 weeks are done. 6 weeks.
Okay.
Remaining 3 to 4 weeks, if we need
Offenses.
extra time, I'll give you extra offenses.
Offenses.
Got it.
Okay.
यार इतनी मेहनत से कौन आपको टीच करेगा यार? I mean, look at my loyalty towards my student. इस वक्त शदीद मुझे भूख लग रही है कि मेरा सर चकरा रहा है. I'm too much hungry, but still I'm not finishing the class because I have to make sure until you will understand each and every word. ठीक है?
Thank you.
Sir, बिल्कुल.
I need your smile from your face. You know, if you will understand, okay, it means you are bored. Okay. I need from your heart, from your soul. Okay. I got it. Attitude gonna take you. Your future will not gonna change until if you're gonna change your attitude based on, okay, look at myself. My name is Aamer Chaudhry. I'm not barrister. I'm not solicitor. I have a strong speaking problem. I have a strong listening problem. My background problem. Nowadays is a problem. Everywhere is a problem. But still my attitude, like a lion. I'm a king of jungle. My attitude, I will, no matter what. If you think, oh, okay, I will try my best, 100%, 50% you are fail. In every field, I will try my best. Your attitude, I will try my best to pass the exam. No way. I will, no matter what. This is called your attitude, like a line attitude. Okay. For example, I'm gonna give you one example. Who is the longest animal in jungle? Giraffe. Heavy animal in the jungle. Heavy. Elephant. Fast runner. Leopard.
Leopard.
Or deer. Huh? Who's a hard worker animal? Donkey. Who's a reflex action? Snake or monkey? Monkey gonna slap to the line and run away. Yeah. Like lion cannot do. So who? Okay. So who is the king of jungle?
Lion.
Lion.
Why?
Yes, power.
He slept 18 hours a day. Donkey worked 18 hours a day. He slept 18 hours a day. Donkey slept. Where is donkey stand? Where is animal stand? Because of his attitude. Who is the king of jungle? I am the king of jungle. Whenever, you know, medicine, always doctors, before they're going to introduce their medicine to the humans, they're going to give to animals, because animals and human is almost same. Everything is the same. Almost everything is the same. First, they're going to experiment on animals. So same thing. Some people act like a donkey. Work hard. They don't use brain. Some people, they use brain. They don't believe on hard work. In the initial stage, you have to work hard like a donkey, attitude like a lion. When crime gonna be done, when accuracy and mania coincide, when you gonna go out of this world, working in the initial state like a donkey, work like a donkey, attitude like a lion. Then you're gonna achieve everything. Because only 1, 2, 3, 4 people are here. Your attitude, 4 people are here. Just imagine. Oh, you know what? Our top priority is, okay, job is our top priority, no problem. If you are lazy, oh, you know what, live class, or don't worry about it, I'm going to watch it tomorrow without any reason, then 100% you are fail. I'm not going to entertain those people. For sure, I'm not going to entertain. Better to quit. The point is, punctuality in live class is much, much, much better than आपका एटीट्यूड ही खत्म हो जाएगा. You gonna run out of town. The point is, for example, oh 3:30, oh I'm sleeping. 3:30, I have to meet with my friend. 3:30, oh yeah, I have other options available. 2 o'clock, middle of the night, I'm gonna watch recording. Guarantee, 100% guarantee. You will not gonna pass barrister and solicitor. मैं कहता टिल का जोर लगा दो. I'm telling you right here. क्योंकि देखें ये criminal law, just hold on. Just hold on. Just 1 second. This is for barrister. This is for barrister criminal law. If you are not good in NCA, you're gonna start in criminal barrister. देखिए मैं आपको अभी दिखाता हूँ. Just for 1 second. Just for 1 second. Sara pre-trial. This is all criminal. Just 1 second. I don't know. अभी कौन सा है? I mean, this is whole criminal law. एक second. See, mental capacity, mental disorder. See, okay. Everything is here. I mean, this is whole criminal law. Sentencing. This is a whole criminal law. If you are not good in everything, offenses, defenses, procedure, in procedure, everything is in barrister. One subject for barrister, criminal law. This is for barrister, not for NCA. The point to be noted, if you are not good enough in NCA, maybe you're going to pass NCA, you're going to stuck in barrister. Everything going to be in criminal, whole criminal will be here. Public law or foundation law is right here in barrister. Constitutional law in barrister. The point is, even you're going to pass barrister solicitor, then you're going to stuck in practical life. You got my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Change your future. So please, I request you, live classes, don't be late even a 1 minute. There is no justification. My every word does count. My every single word does count. If you're gonna miss even a first 5 minutes, better join my class later on. First 5-10 minutes are extremely important. It's your habit to late. Late is not, oh, I'm late. Some people, habit is a late until there is an emergency. Or I request you all people join my live classes. Honestly, stuck ho jayenge. Anyway, guys, thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much,
sir.
sir.
Welcome.
It's been a
Welcome,
wonderful
welcome.
class.
Oh, thank you very much. Thank you. I really need your appreciation as well. I always appreciate to everyone. Same way I need appreciation.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wow, wonderful.
It's
Was a
interesting.
wonderful class. Wonderful class.
Yeah.
Thank you.